Hi everyone, welcome back to my live sessions. Today, and I come back here to provide the valuable informations. Today is Sunday, so again, see Sunday also I'm coming and same time and today day 23/8/2026 and daily topic basis. So whatever I'm giving announcement and everything in my YouTube channel. So those things I'm going to give you, right? Yes. Now, first of all, today what I have selected the topic that is radiology equipment. So radiology equipment, that is mammography. Okay. So today we are going to discuss and we are going to get the informations about the all informations mammography. So what is mammography and what are the things and multiple informations for every biomedical engineering services purpose. Very important topic I'm going to share here in this live sessions. Okay. And today I bring it for you. That is one topic wise. And today every slides I'm going to give the presentations and which very clearly. And sometimes if needed, I will add my real-time hospital experiences. It is going to help in your life, right? Yes. So let me introduce first of all before enter into this topic and listen to carefully. I am Ganesh, State Regional Manager, Biomedical Engineering Operations Services State Level Project Managing. So, 100 lakhs of equipments and hundreds of employees, and that much capability, that much prestigious designations I'm leading. So that's why I have experiences in this biomedical engineering services. 18 years of experiences. I have worked in different companies, and I have crossed over the multiple designations in this field. So now is the state level regional operations manager. Okay. So when I'm leading and instructions to the engineers, then so many things I found it, and definitely these informations I should forward to all biomedical engineering services. That is my intention. Actually, my intention here, what every engineer should have a proper knowledge about the biomedical engineering equipment services. Okay, right. Now come to the point right now. So today, what I want to give you, what I want to share with you all, and very clearly pin to pin informations, I'm going to give the presentations with my own style. Right, right. Yes, and I want to give the awareness about the biomedical services purpose. Daily, I'm providing live sessions and everything. Every information it is going to create the big society in the social media. Right, right. And now, first of all, I should be gratitude 12 lakhs people reaching my channel. Thank you so much. And that's why today I'm very excited and a very positive mind. Definitely, whatever I'm getting experience in my life and whatever leading I'm in my life, those things I'm practicing. I'm getting informations. I'm leading, and that is going to practice and which is perfection. Those things I'm going to escalate and I'm going to give the presentations in my live sessions. So I hope you are engaged by sessions right now. Yes, and listen to carefully. And life is very important, and professional life is important, and biomedical service is the excellent. And before 10 years and after 10 years, right? Yes, I hope you got it. And whoever newcomers and join, please subscribe now and like my channel and listen to carefully and try to take it serious. And you have to change your career. So I hope every live sessions it is going to change your career because of that much dedication, that much valuable contributions I'm providing here, and whatever I practice in my life. Because of I am also struggled a lot of things, and I did a hard work and so many things I did in my life, and many times I have avoided in my life, right? So those things I'm going to give you in this live sessions. Now come to the point right now. Let me show you. Today I selected that is mammography. Okay, in mammography, complete pin to pin details. Every slides I'm going to give you, and listen to carefully. Okay, let me finish all things, and it is going to record. And whoever interested, please join now and listen to carefully. After end of this session, whatever you have doubt, just give me comment in my YouTube channel. Definitely, I will be there. Okay, and after end of this session, I will make a 20 to 30 questions about this topic, and I will post in my YouTube channel. Definitely, you will get it questions and try to answer. Okay, hey, come on, be proud and come on, come to the point right now. My dear engineers, is it visible right now? And listen to carefully. My voice is clear right now. My presentation is right now. Yes, good. So please watch it right now. Okay, like my sessions and now today topic see here. Every day I'm going to give you in a specific unique way. And now see here live mammography system. So complete masterclass, and see after you listen, after you engage my live sessions, so why I'm saying complete masterclass, then you can understand, and because of many topics I'm going to cover in this mammography, right? And now see, these are the very 23/8/2026, and today see 7 to 11 o'clock. I'm say already always I'm saying my live sessions, and 7 to 11 in between anytime I will come. Okay, so availability I will check it and I will comment. I will give the information. It is going to record and it is available always in social media, right? And take it professional. See, in my own way I'm trying, and here my disclaimer here. I'm not any escalating any official matters, any office matters, anything. Okay, because of today as a citizen of global in the competitive society, now I want to give the more information about the all medical equipments and all biomedical services based on my 18 years of experiences. Okay, now come here. And see here, this is the mammography purpose. See, first of all, in my every explanations I'm focusing, because of I'm going to dedicate this video for all biomedical engineers and freshers and newcomers, juniors and students. Okay, and whoever experience but they may not have idea about this equipment, so those persons purpose I'm going to dedicate, and I will give the explanations. Okay, very clearly, pin to pin informations I will explain. Nothing to worry, without confuse, and you should get the proper informations at what I'm saying here, and try to catch my points and to take it serious. Right, come on. Now see here, now mammography, this is my, see here my presentation. First of all, starting I'm going to show you, see here, mammography system, this is my thumbnail. So what I'm going to cover this topic now 1 to 2 hours I will speak, and I will give the explanations, and I will add the so many things, valuable things as a biomedical engineering services. So multiple years of experiences, every point I'm going to give you, because of this I procured all things and prepared this topic, and very easy to understand, and definitely after engagement sessions you will get a great information about the mammography. Right, come on. Now enter into topic. Right now we will go one by one topic. These are the topics. See here, first of all, every pin to pin topic I'm going to show you. See here, in this live sessions, 4 to 5 slide presentations available I have prepared. And now see here, first of all, in this slides here, mammography system and complete these all informations I'm going to discuss all things. I hope you catch my points right now. See here, so these all things, see, simply if I explain, okay, if I explain, then you will get it, you will listen. But if I give the presentation, yes, how look like and what are the problems are there, everything, if you go, then you can understand, and it is very, very useful in your life, right? This type of unique live sessions not available anywhere in the world. So that's why for a biomedical engineering services purpose, I have searched all things and I practiced all things, and I got the experience also. So that's it. Today I have decided to give you live sessions in this, and 1000 plus live sessions I'm going to conduct in upcoming sessions. Everything is worthable, and everything is useful, and everything is powerful. Right, now come to the point. Right now in this slide presentations, my dear engineers and students, and listen to carefully, whoever engages, definitely it is a professional YouTube biomedical channel. And mammography, see in this see here many topics, okay, many points I'm going to discuss, and which are points I'm going to share with you all. These are all very valid points as a biomedical engineering services. As a, if you are working as a biomedical engineer, then what are the things important, what are the technically, non-technically and mechanical and troubleshooting, and if you get any complaint, what are the problems will come. Okay, because of see, and mammography equipment, I have worked a lot of years. So in the 18 years of experience, maximum I worked in mammography equipment minimum 10 years. So that is the confident. So multiple types of whatever problems coming and everything I'm going to give the informations. Okay, now let me start now. First of all, we will go through the equipment. Okay, my dear engineers, listen to carefully and very clearly, and see here. This is equipment. See here, mammography equipment. I hope you got it very clear right now. See here. Now equipment label part, see here very clearly I'm going to say. Let me continue right now. First of all, see this picture. This is the mammography equipment. And see in this mammography, see if you take any company, make, model, anything, but look like is only appearance is this one. Okay, because of I have worked in corporate hospital, private hospital. There different types of mammography equipments are there, but looking is same, but manufacturers are different. So different specifications available, and how much power related and how much technical errors and everything I'm going to share with you right now. Yes. Now, first of all, see this picture, and whenever you see why I am showing this picture and why I started the equipment picture, because of every engineer, whenever you attend the complaint or you attend the hospital, then whenever you see the equipment, then yes, you have to find out as a biomedical engineers. When you are studying time, that is another thing. Okay, but practically when you see the equipment, then you have to know and you have to get the awareness about the medical equipment as a biomedical engineer. Okay, starting stage. So that's why I'm going to cover this live session. My experienced persons also very useful, and at the same time freshers also, and whoever may not have idea. That's why if you are a zero also, when I'm giving these all informations, then if you know, if you get it all things, then definitely will become a okay biomedical engineering, good biomedical engineering about the mammography, right? Yes, come on. Now, first of all, let me explain. See here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here and try to take it serious. And equipment label types here. See, mammography equipment label parts here. I'm going to show you every part, whatever labeled here, everything is visible in my presentation. I hope you got it. Right, come on. Now see here, I'm going to read out now what are the label part. See here, equipment, X-ray tube, housing, and control panel, and see here compression paddle, whatever see here label here. And next breast support platform detector, and food switch compression control, and LCD display or touch screen, and power on or off, and emergency stop, and arm support, and detector flat panel, and system base stand. See, if you take any mammography, any company make model, okay, but these are the basic things. These all things never change. Okay, that's why first of all my attention is what I want to show the picture, I want to show the label parts because of upcoming topic. What if you know these parts, then if any problems will come, what to check, what need to check, and what need to take precautions, then you can understand. Okay, everything pin to pin I will give you explanation, and listen to carefully, right? Come on. Now I hope you got it complete. See basic label parts of the mammography equipment. So you got it right now. Yes. Yes, come on. Next, first of all, see, we will go into the topic. See here, we enter into the topic. Mammography. First of all, what is mammography, sir? Like I'm going to show you right now. See here, and everything pin to pin. See what I am giving explanation. Those things in a track order. Okay, I have set in order. So those things I'm in which way I'm explaining and try to make a notes. And what I'm giving here, these are the proper notes purpose also very very important to maintain in your work area, right? Yes. See, these all things only for biomedical services purpose, very very important, and technically those are the things I'm going to cover here. Now come on. Now see here, it is visible right now, my dear engineers. First of all, let me know. See, what is the definition of the mammography, right? So simple definition, I bring it for you. Then if you know these all things, because of as a biomedical, we have to keep remember so many things. So that's why simple way, simple track, we have to know and we have to keep remember and we have to perform multiple activities, right? Yes, come on. So what I'm saying, I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here. Yes, thank you. Next, see here, definition of the mammography. Mammography is a specialized X-ray imaging technique used to examine the breast for early detection and diagnosis of breast diseases, especially breast cancer. Okay, everything as a biomedical engineer, we should be a professional. Understand? First of all, we should proud of ourselves because of as a human being, we are living in the updated technology and we have that much technology, technical equipments. That is the great achievement in our human life, right? So whatever we have organs in our body, have you got it? Whatever organs we have in our body, so based on that every organs purpose, these are the see we have different medical equipments. Now we are talking about the this is the only for mammography means breast related, and what are the things and how to diagnosis and everything pin to pin we will give the informations. Okay, so I hope you got it. What is the definition of the mammography? Again, I'm going to repeat now and listen to carefully and try to keep in your mind. And see here, mammography is a specialized X-ray imaging technique used to examine the breast for early detection and diagnosis of breast diseases, especially breast cancer. Okay, simple matter, simple point we have to make it underline. Okay, examine the breast for early detection and diagnosis of the breast disease. This is you have to underline, right? Yes, come on. So next we will go see next types of mammography. See here. See, everything you have to take it's okay, very very serious because of these are the very very important points. And while you are doing your duty, then these are the things. So nobody to support you, nobody give the instructions because of everybody busy. Now a competitive society, we are working in these areas. So that's why if I provide you, definitely whenever you free, whoever engaged, okay. Whoever not engaged, nothing to worry. It is going to record in my live sessions, and every pin to pin information it is available in my YouTube channel. Okay, right? Come on. Now, types of mammography here. Listen to carefully and try to get it my points. My dear engineers and students and whoever upcoming biomedical engineers. And see here types of mammography. And listen to carefully. See here screen film mammography SFM, next digital mammography FFDM, and 3D mammography digital breast tomosynthesis. Okay, and contrast enhanced mammography. These are the types of mammography, right? I hope you please catch it the points and see everything pin to pin. As a biomedical engineer, what are the things important and what are the things need to improve, and what route is important as a biomedical engineers. Because of I have worked in different organizations, so real time hospital experience I achieved in my life. So every day I'm focusing my career, that's why I'm giving all informations. Okay, right, come to the point right now. And see here, types of mammography. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, my dear engineers, and listen to carefully. Let me go next point. Purpose of this equipment. See, learning process is very important. That's why I'm saying here, my dear engineers, and try to focus on my channel. Okay, and whoever newcomers, subscribe now. Valid informations and powerful informations and recommended experiences I'm giving here. Now come to the point right now. So see here, now purpose of equipment, third point. See here, so purpose of mammography equipment. What is the purpose? Screening and early detection of breast cancer. Okay, note down. Next, diagnosis of breast abnormalities and monitoring treatment response and guiding biopsies and interventions. Okay, these are the very important. That is gynecology related. Okay, this equipment is related to the gynecology. Understand? If you are a biomedical engineer, there we no need to consider male female, but we should be a professional biomedical engineer. That's why every point, pin to pin point, I want to give the explanation in my live sessions. Whenever you think about your job professional, then anything, any topic, you have to take serious and you have to understand the concepts. Because of you have to do the perform on medical equipment, that is the very important. Yes, right. So these are the purpose of equipment. Okay, I hope you got it very clear right now, my dear engineers. Right. Now come here. Now working principle of the mammography. See here. See what are the things I'm going to say. Listen to carefully and try to focus all things. And if you have any doubt, just give me comment in my YouTube channel in a positive way. Definitely I will be there to support you and to provide the valuable information. Okay. Now come on. Now see here, working principle of the mammography equipment. I hope you are listening my voice. Is it clear my presentation? Is it audible my presentation? Yes. Now come to the point and let me say, working principle of the mammography. See here, low dose X-ray passes through the breast. Okay, and take it serious. Direct point. What are the important points I'm going to give you without confuse and without anything disturbance. Okay, because of see, as a biomedical engineer, if you want to grow your career, so that purpose skills are important. So those skills I try to give you in my live sessions. I hope you're listening my voice. Yes, come on. Now come on, see working principle, low dose X-ray passes through the breast and captured by the detector and converted to digital image to displayed for diagnosis. Okay, here this equipment what diagnosis purpose. Understand? This is a radiology equipment, it is a mammography, and whatever things we have to diagnose the issues, whatever problems in a breast area, right? Yeah, that is gynecology. Okay, right. So this is the working principle of the what mammography, right? Try to get it point and a pin to pin point I'm going to show you. And now come to the see, only subject wise only we will discuss at the practical way, right? And working operations. See here, see this working operation, when I'm giving the explanation, then depend on equipment. Understand? See, mammography equipment, that if you take make model is different, depend on companies, it is going to operating is change, but maximum operating is maximum. These are the functions, but their features are different. Okay, right, come on and try to get it and listen to carefully. And let me say, see working operation. So what is the working operation of the mammography, if you ask me? And see here, select a patient and study. Okay, and position the patient, adjust compression and set exposure factors, and take exposure and review images. Okay, these are the points you have to keep in your mind. See, as a biomedical engineer you should know, but regular basis who will operate this equipment? That radiology mammography technician will be there. So technician and doctors will be there, they will handle, they will do the procedures everything, and they will do the scan everything. So then okay, they will do continuously. But these are the points, working operations. If you new persons, if you new engineers, so they will call you biomedical engineer, because of complete responsibility of the equipments taken by the biomedical engineers. right? So that is the reason these are the things, as I see, these all information. So while you give the user training of the medical equipment weekly basis, okay, weekly basis and daily basis as per schedule monthly, so you have to finish the user training. So user training time, these are the things important. Then if you provide the user training clearly to the customer, to the user training technician, so then equipment can reduce the issues, right? Yes. So whenever handling properly, then maximum complaints will reduce. Then it is going to maintain reliability of our services. Okay. So I hope we got it very clear right now. See here, working operation of the mammography. These are the points you have to keep in your mind. If you take any company make model, these are the basic points, working operations. I hope you catch my points right now. Yes. Now, see here. Now, see workflow. Okay. Operation workflow. I'm going to say here. See, so very simple. See, in workflow, these are the pin-to-pin informations. As a biomedical engineer, these are the things important. Then only you can maintain the good face value. At the same time, you can respond with instantly. Understand? And let me say, see here. Now, see operation workflow. First of all, patient registration. Okay, mammography topic I'm talking. Okay, and patient positioning and image acquisition and image review and reporting and storage. Okay, these are the things regular activity of the technician. Understand? So as a biomedical engineer, see, you should know these all things. So these are the points. It is very, very useful, and you should be a behave as a master. So if you behave a master, then these are the things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, right? I hope you got it very clear right now, my dear engineers and students. Now come here, operation settings. See here. See, these are the settings which basis I brought it because of several times we attend the complaints, and we attend the complaints, resolve the issues, and company follow-ups and follow with original equipment manufacturers also sometimes. So that is the reason. So see, if you do your work as a biomedical regularly basis, and so many things so we can resolve. Understand? So like by operating, okay, by troubleshooting and settings, and then we can resolve many things. So that is the reason. If you know these all things, so definitely you will catch it. And as a biomedical engineer, you can provide the services and you can do the job whatever assigned you. You can finish very clearly, and at the same time, you will get a great opportunity to improve your skills and you have to grow your career, right? Yes. And see, very very disciplined way I'm going to show you, and I'm going to give the presentations very positive way. And now come to the point right now. Seventh is here, operating settings. So in every medical equipment, operating settings are very, very important. Troubleshootings, operating settings, because of 90% problems we can resolve these all the things. So that is the difference. One senior engineer is there and junior engineer is there. That is the difference between why. Because of both are qualified person, both are graduated persons, both are degree persons. But why giving variations? Because of senior have experienced many things because of lots of complaints attended. Here awareness, those things. That's why that is the difference. But my intention what? Even junior or senior, whoever working in biomedical engineering, everyone should have a proper knowledge to provide the biomedical engineering services. Okay, that's why today I'm giving the live sessions. It is going to record and available to you all, right? And come to the point right now. Operating settings I'm going to read out now. And see here, KVP 25 to 35 KVP. These are the regular scanning purpose. That is depend on breast, depend on situation, depend on procedures. It is going to apply. Okay, but these are the basic things I'm going to show you. And see here, KVP 25 to 35 KVP and MAS auto or manual are there. Okay, auto also are there and manual also. We can keep settings there available display. Next, see here. Next, see MO or RH or RH or see, these are the target filters. So whenever you operating the equipment, then you come to know these are the things. Okay. So try to capture my points. So what I'm saying here and try to listen all things. Okay. Right. My dear engineers, and compressions here 10 to 20 kg. Okay. This compression that breast is there. So how much compressions and everything the technician will do. Biomedical engineer no need to do, okay, but they will do. But these are the things whenever they're new engineers and new technicians, if they join, they may not have idea. If they have idea also, if they are senior also, as a biomedical engineer weekly basis, we have to enter into the department and we have to check it all things and power supplies and all things you have to check it as a preventive maintenance time also, because of any situations, any problem will come. That is a electrical, electronic, medical equipment, electrical fluctuations also may sometimes come, right? Right. Come on. I hope you got it very clear what I'm saying here. Right. So focal spots here 0.3 or 0.1 mm. Okay. So these are the operating settings. See, these are the operating system not fixed because of depend on procedure, depend on condition, depend on scanning that is going to apply, right? And these are the basic things I'm going to show you and try to keep in mind. See, these are all points very very important while you are facing the interviews, okay? Interview time and before facing the job, and these are the very very important. See, my live sessions completely belongs to see biomedical engineering too, and professional life, college, job life. But in between, one gap is there, so I want to cover through my live sessions. If you follow my live sessions, definitely it is very very helpful to support you, right? Upcoming biomedical engineer, definitely it is a great platform, okay? Right, come on. Now seventh operating settings, I hope you got it very clear right now. Next, see here. So these are the points I'm going to show you, see. And eighth point, see here. Is it clear right now, my dear engineers? And these are the see what I am giving information. So these are the only for biomedical engineering services purpose only. Okay. And see, for your basic information purpose. See, for example, if you want to know the more informations. So in this way, I'm giving means if you are a trainee also, if you are a student also in your work area, in hospitals, where if you are working in hospital, if you are working in companies, if you are working in any clinics, okay, then though nobody is there because of job is there one of the professional life, so you have to do the job and you have to get the salary. So here my intention, why I'm providing all information means, by doing a duty purpose, more information which is important and which is skills you can do perform by engage my live sessions, okay? Right, come on now. So see here, eighth point of this mammography technical error. See here. So see, as a biomedical engineer, you should be perfect. Whenever getting complaint, then you are the problem solver. Understand? You are the problem solver, and you are a skilled biomedical engineer. So recognized by the hospital. So that's why hospitals and companies and everyone, they are waiting for skilled biomedical engineers, and they believe us very strongly. So that's why everyone individually should do perform your duty and should finish your job successfully, right? Yes. Now come to the point right now. And whenever you see these pictures here, what are the technical parts is there? So then you have to know, okay, these are the technical errors. Whenever we got a complaint, then you have to communicate with the hospital management. Yes, I am a mammography technician, so we have a problem like, yes ma'am, tell me madam, any other technical issues are there? Then if you know these all things, technical basis, you, okay, you will be alert. I hope you are catching my points right now what I'm saying here. Yes, come on. Now see here, technical errors of the mammography equipment. See here, poor image quality or low contrast and over or under exposure and motion artifacts and grid cutoff and wrong positioning and detected defects and dead pixels and compression problems. Okay, these are the problems. So technical error. Why? When will face? Because of when they are not operating properly. Okay, when technician not operating properly and they will not have idea, then this situation, these are the problems, chances are there, okay? So at every point you have to keep in your mind as a biomedical engineer, because of as a biomedical engineer you have to know the basic equipments of this topic. At the same time, technically troubleshooting is everything, you have to try to get it every experiences, understand? Sometimes what happen, some engineers are completed 5 years 8 years, but they may not have that much experiences, they may not able to do the works. So that's why, and take it positive. If you do not have, try to catch my points and try to get it all things and try to practice. Right? Yes, come on. Next point, see. Now technical specifications here. What are the technical specifications for mammography? And see, as a biomedical engineer, these are the things, basic information is very, very important. Because of why, whenever sometimes what happen, electrical fluctuations coming, understand? Sometimes electrical fluctuations coming, sometimes electrical disturbances coming, and anything will happen. So that is the reason, you know, these are the basic things. So then you can do and you can give the justification any problems, and you can diagnose the issues. Okay, right? Come to the point and listen to carefully what I'm saying here. And these are the points. See, actually, these are the points, practical things. Understand? So I'm giving the information because of I'm talking all things, because of this type of awareness is very very important for every biomedical engineers. If you're doing your duty, you should passion and you should get all information, because of this is the life saving equipment. My dear engineers and students, and today what I'm saying, and take it serious and try to get it points and try to change your behavior, try to change your professional life, and whatever you want to become in your life, just focus on it and keep ambition and try to get it my informations. Okay, right? Come on. Now ninth point, see here, my dear engineers, ninth point of the see here, mammography technical specifications. What are the requirement? Now I'm going to show you and I'm going to tell you. It is visible right now in the presentation. Yes, I hope it is visible. Yes, let me continue right now. Technical specifications here: X-ray generator, high frequency, and power 5 kVA to 10 kVA. Okay, these are the minimum ranges you have to keep remember in your mind. Okay, so sometimes was somebody asking, so X-ray. Okay, so this is also one of the X-ray imaging, but this is what mammography, that is gynecology related. Okay, and now see here, power 5x, see here 5 kVA to 10 kVA, minimum to maximum, and kVp range 20 to 40 kVp, and MAS here range 1 to 200 MAS, and focal spot 0.3 to 0.1 mm. Okay, and detector digital flat panel and image matrix 14 bit or 16 bit, and compression force 10 to 20 gauges. Okay, next anode heating capacity, see here greater than or equal to 150 kHu. Okay, these are the technical specifications of the mammography. I hope you got it. So these are the technical specifications. How will you get it? If you are working in a biomedical engineering category, if you are provide the services, because of for this mammography purpose, a lot of times I attend the call, and sometimes we follow the original equipment manufacturers, and multiple types of several situations we faced, and we have to resolve the issues. Yes, we know very well. So whoever working in biomedical services, definitely if we engage as a biomedical engineer, how much we have to perform and how much we have to the work per day, we know very well. Yes, because of hundreds of calls are rising from the hospital state level. So hundreds of calls are opening, and hundreds of calls attending by the engineers and solved by the engineers. So every responsibility we are taking, we know very well we are the skillful engineers. That's why today we are here to provide the healthcare services. Okay, right? I hope you got it and try to listen it carefully. And now see our technical specifications of the mammography. Okay, try to take it serious, and important points I'm going to share here, and it is going to record. Nothing to worry, right? And every day I'm going to give the contributions my life to change your upcoming future. Now come here, 10th, regular problems. See here, I'm going to show you. See here, is it clear right now? Are you okay? Is it clear my presentations, my dear biomedical engineers and students and upcoming biomedical technicians? This all information, see, now see, if you watch, technicians can watch my live session. Okay, biomedical engineers can watch my sessions, and biomedical managers can watch my session. Okay, and whoever hospital management can watch my session, because of I have worked in different areas. And every day, if I get a designation biomedical engineer, so every day I focus and I want to improve my career. Those things I'm going to share here, right? Practical things only I'm going to give the explanation, because of it is going to inspire you all. Understand? Now come to the point right now, my dear engineers. And now 10th point, see here, regular problems. Because of why biomedical engineers appointed in hospitals to resolve the issues of the biomedical engineer, to maintenance the equipment, and to maintain the complete quality control of the medical equipment, and so many things are there. Okay, so the complete responsibility of the biomedical engineer purpose appointed the biomedical engineer, right? So what are the protocols you have to do it, and why regular problems coming? So why needed a biomedical engineer? Okay, so here what is the problem, what are the regular problems, I'm going to show you. Listen to carefully, right? Yes, come on. And now see here, regular problems in mammography, radiology equipment mammography, regular problems, what will come, see here. Compression paddle not working, and X-ray not generating, and image not displayed, artifacts or streaks in image, and system not powering on, and software or workstation errors. Okay, so these are the very regular problems. Why? When problem coming? If you are doing properly services, if you are doing the preventive maintenance, if you are doing the calibration services, then these problems can resolve, right? So that's why for every biomedical engineering services purpose, these are the things important. And when you are performing the works in medical equipment, you should be careful. Understand? Because of biomedical engineering is the challengeable and critical, and every step you have to take serious and very important. Okay, at the same time, if you focus, if you learn, if you do the work, at a time you will get award also, and that much appreciation also. So that much dedication you have to maintain. So in my life, I have kept efforts in my possible way. That's why today I'm getting all things and I achieved all things, and those things today I'm trying to give you all informations. And nowadays, I'm capable to give you all information is because of experience is very important. I'm approaching, and I'm getting all things, and I have ambition in my life, and those things, everything I'm going to get it resources. Okay, right? Come on. I hope you got it. And what are the regular problems? So regular problems were, these are the problems coming. So then these are the problems you have to keep in your mind as a biomedical engineer. First of all, you have to communicate, and next get the information, and you try to give the guidance. Okay. So these all things why I'm giving informations today. Why these all things why I'm giving live sessions free of cost, because of every engineer you should have these skills. At the same time, you should get experience by engaging my live sessions, and you should be capable to do all things as a biomedical engineer. And these all informations whatever I'm giving here, everything going to support you and going to help you in your career, and whoever not giving and whoever not providing also. So those things pin to pin point I'm going to share here, and try to catch my points, and let me continue and come to the point right now. These are 10 regular problems for this purpose. What things to do, what not to do, and while doing the preventive maintenance, if you do all things, then maximum problem resolve. Right? Yes. And these are things I'm saying means, see, whenever you enter, whenever you are presence in the hospital, then you come to know. Okay, whenever to touch the equipment practical way. So here I'm giving information is based on my experiences, so real-time hospital experiences. I'm going to give the awareness. But those things you have to listen it here, and whenever you do the work, then you have to attend the hospital, that check the equipment and what are the things. And daily logbook is very very important. Understand? Because of nobody perfect. Okay, within seconds, within 1 day, within 2 days, within 3 days. Today I'm coming here means, so 18 years of experiences I issued in my life. Today I'm giving means, it's a time taken process, not a simple statement. Okay, right, come on, I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes. Next point. So every point, pin to pin point, I'm going to show you, because of valid points only and required points only, essential points only I'm going to discuss here. Now come here, my dear engineers. Is it visible right now? If not, to handling the equipment, what happened? See here. Is it clear my presentation? And listen to carefully. My voice is clear. I hope you are listening my voice. And let me continue. Now we are discussing what? Radiology equipment, radiology biomedical equipment, that is mammography gynecology department. Okay, gynecology related. It is a radiology department. Okay, right. Come on. Now see here, damage to detector. Okay, if not handling here, equipment if not done properly. That's why sometimes what happen, many complaints and equipments getting damages, because of some patients also getting irritated, and sometimes technicians also not using properly, and not handling properly. Those things you have to give the instructions as a biomedical engineer to maintain the good all things. Okay, whatever problems coming, you have to find out, and you have to give the instructions to the hospital technician. I hope you got it very clear right now. As a biomedical engineer, listen carefully now. If not handling the equipment, what will happen? Okay, this should be awareness. Now see here, I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here. And damage to detector and X-ray tube and failure patient risk due to wrong exposure and expensive repairs and downtime and service issues. Okay, these are the things will be happen. Okay, every moment is important, and you should be a proactive behavior. As a biomedical engineer, if you don't know, nothing to worry. Okay, everything purpose, everything support purpose, I'm here to provide the informations, and lot of informations I will provide like this. Now here, see here, these are the, if not handling the equipment mammography, what happen will be there. These are the things I have given, and it is visible right now. I hope you are listening my voice. You got my point. Now come to the point right now. See here, if not working, what to check it? This is the, see, this question is many biomedical engineers are asking. Yes, you know, sir, I am doing as a biomedical engineer, sir. I'm a new person, sir. I'm an experienced person, sir. Like there, sir, if equipment not working, what to check it, sir? Understand? So like that, they asked me, I give the instructions also. But lakhs of people have to cover. Understand? So we have crores of peoples in the world. So as a human being, as a biomedical engineering is the basic life of the human. Understand? So any job, we have a multiple jobs, multiple companies, everything is there in the society. But this is healthcare technology. So that's why everyone should awareness. So that's why many engineers need to increase and need to join, need to get the awareness. That is the reason today I'm providing the valuable information about the biomedical engineering services. Because of I got the experiences, 18 years of experience. This is the excellent field, and today what I'm leading, what I'm getting, all facilities and everything, salary, everything, position, it's excellent. Understand? So today I'm leading the top level position. That's why today I'm giving these all informations, practically proved, and I'm talking directly. Right? Come to the point right now. Let me finish right now. And if not working, what to check it? See here. Which is a very very important. See, whenever you get a complaint, then don't get panic. Okay, don't get panic. Don't fear, and don't be aware. and don't give the wrong statement to the hospital. Okay, first of all, whenever you get a complaint, just think it properly and take it positive, and try to analysis what are the problems are there. If you do not have, try to communicate with your seniors. Okay, so sometimes if seniors may not there, may not available, okay, then just go to my channel Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. Definitely I will be there to support you within fraction of seconds. Right? Yes, come on. Now come to the point right now. If not working, what to check it? Let me say, listen to carefully and see mammography equipment. If not working, what to check it? Number one, power supply and cables. And number two, emergency stop released. And number three, X-ray tube and HV cables. And number four, detector connections. And number five, software and workstation. And number six, error logs and alarms. Okay. So these all things, see, whenever we get a complaint from the hospital technician, like mammography technicians there, understand? Because of, see, these all equipments is the very, very important. Radiology medical equipment is because of complete radiology equipment, it is a diagnostic services equipment. It is going to depend completely hospital revenue, understand? So that's why whenever you get a complaint, radiology department don't get delay. Okay, very, very important, because of diagnostic services only completely going to the because of, first of all, take the diagnostic and take the X-ray and MRI and CT scan, whatever it is. So those all things radiology equipment. So the after that only patient is depending operation surgery, doctor will decide. Yes. So that is the reason whatever we have diseases, whatever we have problem in our body, so those things we have to diagnostics. We have to find out the issues. So that much technology we have. That is the reason today I'm giving here. See here, if not working, what to check it means. Then don't get panic, okay, and don't be worry and don't do any hangama, right? Don't do highlight it. You have to keep silence, and if you are biomedical engineer, you have to focus and you have to keep silence. Work more and speak less when you are working in your area, right? Yes, come on. I hope you are listening my voice very clearly. Now, see here, if not working, what to check it? I hope you got it. Whatever I'm showing here in this presentation. As a biomedical engineer, you have to think and you have to focus all things, because of you should be a unique way. Okay, you have to communicate with all staff, but you should think internally. Yes, I'm a biomedical engineer. I'm a technical biomedical engineer. So what things to do, and everything is possible. And don't say overconfident also. Okay, these are the things very, very important. Right, come to the point right now. If not working, what to check it? I hope you got the point of whatever I'm saying here. Is it clear right now? See, these are things I'm saying here. If you are working area, if you are working as a biomedical engineer, there nobody support you, because of they believe you, because of you are the skilled engineer, but internally you may not have that much skills, but you have a time. Okay, you have a time and you have an opportunity. That is the reason today what I'm showing you, and I'm giving the presentations about all medical equipment. Definitely it is very, very useful in your life. And for biomedical engineering services purpose only can capable to give the informations. Whoever experienced in biomedical engineering services, those persons only can give the instructions. That is, I can say proudly, right? And today what I got it and everything I'm going to show you, and let me finish right now. And every point related mammography related gynecology equipment, that is radiology department equipment, that what is going to diagnose the issues of the gynecology related. Okay, and try to take it professionally. Everything is important. As a human being, we have to take care about all peoples, right? And now come to the point right now. As a biomedical engineer, listen to carefully now. 13 points here. Ranges of exposure. So why need to know the exposure? Because of it's a radiation, we know very well. Yes. So radiation, what will happen? What will causes? And we know very well. Yes. And now we have a complete technical everything, social media, everything is there, and Google is there. Then once go to internet, okay. Then what is exposure? Then you will get it all things. We have a great opportunities. Yes. In the society, so many things happen. But as a educated person, we have to focus on our discipline way, right? Yes. As a biomedical engineer, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. For your biomedical, every biomedical purpose, I'm giving the informations and instructions, and it is going to give the inspiration, awareness, and very valuable information. And it is change your life, right? Right. Come on. Next here, ranges of exposure. I'm going to say, listen to carefully. These are the ranges you have to keep in your mind, because of whenever you go to interview term, these are the minimum basics they will ask you. Because now I'm doing many interviews. That's why I'm also asking these type questions, and whoever not qualified, immediately I rejected. Why? Because of it's a patient area. We have to give the complete instructions and we have to take care. Small mistakes also not happen. If you are not selected, nothing to worry. Again, you practice, and if you have doubt, sir, I want to get it, sir. What to do, sir? What not to do, sir? Yes, you have to get the resources from your seniors. Those things purpose I'm giving here. See here I'm giving instructions and I'm giving live sessions here, and there backside I'm supporting, and directly I'm facing my, as a state regional manager, I have to stick my follow my instructions. As a regional manager, as a top regional manager, so we have a lot of responsibilities are there, that every responsibilities everyone should have in your duty, right? Yes, come on. Now come here, ranges of exposure see here, KVP 25 to 35, and MAS 10 to 200, and MOC here, MORH or RH, and see AEC manual mode, and patient thickness and patient adjustment. Okay, these are the ranges of exposure. And see, still, if you have any doubt, then communicate with technician. Sir, how to operate the equipment? I'm the new biomedical engineer student, sir. I want to learn something, sir. Just communicate first of all. Directly they will not say, because of many people, sir, they are having some types of attitudes are there. Okay, so those are ignore it and try to politely, then everything will get it, and everything everyone support you, right? And when you are listening time, see in biomedical services time, if you have any problem, any fighting, anything, and don't show up your work area. Sometimes what happen, negative people, we have to work with negative people also, and whoever enemies also, but we have to focus on work purpose. We should not delay anything, right? Yes, come on. Then only we'll get success, then only you can perform very well, then only patient will get the proper technical treatment from our side, right? Yes, whenever equipment working condition, then definitely automatically we'll get it from our side, right? So that's why you have to focus on work and listen to carefully. Now let me see 13 point ranges of the exposure, that is what mammography, right? And everything whatever I'm saying here, and try to listen it very clearly informations. It is a time taken process, 1 hour 2 hour, it's not a matter for me. Once I provide the information, that is going to record in my live sessions. Now come to the point right now, let me finish, and the next point, why need and when needed. Okay, see here, this mammography equipment, why need? This is the very good question, right? So these are all the questions. See, as a biomedical engineer, as a qualified, see, you are the completed the graduations. You are not a child, yes. You may not have that much experiences, but you are the already certified and you are the qualified person in the degree level. You are the in the society, right? So that's why I'm not degrading anyone. I'm not comment anyone. I'm not point out anyone. Just I want to give the instructions whoever not have and try to pick up it. Ultimately we have to give the best performance, that is 100 out of 100%. We have to give the hospital service, that is the major responsibility. I hope you catch my points. And whoever newcomers, please subscribe now first of all. Every time I will come live sessions with proper attention and professional way, right? Come on. Now why need and when needed, see here, this question for which I'm going to give the answer, and I'm going to show you here presentations here, why needed and when needed. This is very important. See here, let me say, routine screening greater than 40 years, okay, and suspected lumps and family history. And see here what I'm saying here, I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here. Is it clear my voice? Right, come on. Now see here, family history and follow up after treatment and pain or nipple discharge. So these are the things here, gynecology related. If you have a family, then if you have a say, breast related any issues, then don't neglect. Okay, these are the very important. As we are living in the updated technology, and we are living in the high sophisticated area countries, so that is the reason. Okay, right. So these are the points here, why needed. Routine screening, okay, greater than 40 years. If you have any changes, if you have any doubt, just immediately, okay, after 1 week 2 weeks whatever observing, if you are feel uncomfortable, then immediately approach the doctor, get the suggestions. Okay, very important. So at these situations needed. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, come on. Now exposure specifications, see here. See, I'm giving all instructions, miss. Complete information, pin to pin information is what is required. And next, in this in this live presentation, I'm going to show you inside of the equipment, technical parts, electrical parts, electronic parts, what are the things are there as a biomedical, what are the things needed, and everything I'm going to show you, right? Is it clear? Yes, let me say, keep watch my channel. Okay. Now come on. Exposure specifications, see here, I'm going to say, and see here, exposure specifications of mammography. Okay, low dose alara principle and auto exposure control AEC, and target or filter MO best for screening, and grid is here, use it for thick breast. Okay, these are the things, exposure specifications here, depend on condition of the breast and depend on condition of the situations and procedures, so it is going to apply, right? For your awareness purpose, I'm giving these all informations because of this mammography equipment. I bring it for you, okay? And I saw the equipment, what are the parts are there, what are the problems will come, and what are the things will be there, and what need to practice, and what need to give the user training, and everything informations. These are the basic informations for every biomedical engineering. Only necessity by informations I'm going to give you in my live sessions, okay? Right. Now come here. So I hope you got it and expose the specifications. Next, come here. Regular damage repair. See here. So regular damages, why happen? Okay. You should know, see here, as a biomedical engineers, regular damages spares. So why damage? Because of, see, as a biomedical engineer, you have to check the all equipments at the same time. You have to diagnose the issues, find out the issues. That is your great responsibility. That is your great challenges. So everything is possible. Okay. So whenever you keep efforts in possible way, definitely will get it. Why not possible? Okay. But here thing is what? Pin to pin you have to diagnosis. Yes. You touch the mission, that equipment not working, power checking, next few checking, next one by one. If you check it to one by one part, then you will get it and you will get practice. One day you may not get it. Okay. Second day you may not get it. And ultimately, continuously, if you maintain the consistency about your work, definitely you will get it, right? Still, if you not get, then you have to approach your seniors and try to know, yes, what happens, sir, why happens, sir, why, sir, why not possible me, sir. Let's think it and communicate. Definitely that senior will help you. Okay, come to the point right now. Regular damages space in mammography. See here, x-ray tube and compression paddle and detector are panel and HV cables and fuses and relays and cooling fan. See, these are the things you have to do the preventive maintenance. Understand? So that's why, see, if you're working in hospital, for example, okay, if you're working in hospital, there mammography, see, mammography equipment also everywhere not available. Everywhere not available. Super specialty hospitals and large budget hospitals and number of large publications, public lot gathering area hospitals, they're only available because of those are the expensive. Scanning also expensive, equipment also expensive, spare parts also expensive, and engineer also expensive. Yes, but here whoever working in corporate hospital, because so many people are there working in private hospitals and corporate hospitals, then if I say this information, if you know, then you will be alert. And what things do, what not to do, what everything I will share in this live sessions and try to catch my points, everything pin to pin. I'm going to give the explanations about the mammography, right? Come on. So these are the problems here. These are the problems here. X-ray tubing when will come? If you're not proper handling means power fluctuations. Understand? Power is very, very important. Electrical power, how much? I will tell you in this specifications. I will give the information. Try to keep watch my sessions. I hope you got it. What are the regular problems? Damage repairs. These are the things. Okay. So these are the things. Problem is, so you should be awareness about this topic as a biomedical engineer mostly. Now I hope you got it. Next, come here. Point wise, I'm going to show you. I'm going to give the explanations and which is important in work area. Now, main activity of the CR, main activity of the biomedical engineering services, and listen to carefully, because of, see, nowadays about the, see, why I'm giving this informations, because of after Corona, okay, COVID-19. So biomedical engineering, after before 10 years and after 10 years, biomedical engineering services the completely developed. So that's why we have a lot of scopes in biomedical services, and we may get a good positions and good jobs and good salaries. So that time everyone should have a capable for that. That is the reason today I'm providing the live sessions. So because of nowadays and state level and country level, so globally we have a lot of companies available. That is manufacturer companies and original companies and BMMP project companies. Top companies are there. Close of budget is going like government level less. So that is the reason if you should know as a biomedical engineering. So that is the reason today I'm giving all information. Okay, I hope you are catch my points. And right, come on. Now come on. Now see here, so see here PMS checklist. These are the, see, if it is possible, try to note down because of these are the important points. You may not get it, and every biomedical engineer should have these informations. Okay, for this equipment purpose, many times mammography equipment repairing purpose. What happened? So many times, so depending on third party, depending on original equipment manufacturer, because of that hospital engineer may not have capable to check the equipment. So that's why basic things you should do it by your hands, whatever possible, and you have to make it possible. Understand? That is the reason. I'm giving here. Now come here, and PMS checklist of the mammography see here, and see here, these are the try to make it notes, and get it point, and try to improvement in your life, and try to implement in your duty. And now PMS checklist here of mammography: system cleaning, compression test, X-ray output test, and AIC calibration, image quality test, and safety interlocks, backup and storage check. Okay, these all things. If you don't know, also no problem. Just once you communicate with technician, the technician definitely they will have proper knowledge. Okay, because see today if you don't know, nothing to worry. Okay, but at the end of the day you should be perfect. Why? Because of today, if you are a junior, nobody, anyone give the responsibility to you. But whenever you become a senior, then you should lead your work, you should do your work, you should perform your work, and you should provide the services as a biomedical engineering services. So that time you should have these all information. That's why today I'm giving you all informations. Okay. So for everyone, I'm giving very positive mind. Okay. If you are zero, no problem. Everything we will get it in a okay. We keep efforts in possible way. We will get it all things. So keep watch it right now. Whatever I'm giving the presentation here, I hope you are visible right now. So these are the points here. These are the practical things only. I'm giving instructions in this way. I'm giving, I'm spending, and I'm giving the valuable contributions, which is important to all biomedical services. Today I'm giving the what mammography equipment related, everything professional. Right? Come on. Now 17 points here. PMS, see preventive maintenance checklist. We know very well for biomedical engineering services. We have a lack of equipments, state level. Yes. So every equipment have a separate individual preventive maintenance checklist will be there. That is depend on critical equipment, non-critical equipment, major equipment, minor equipment. Okay. So all kinds of equipments, whatever we have in the hospital services, for every equipment purpose, individually PMS checklist is there, and every monthly basis we have to finish as per schedule, quarterly, half yearly. So whatever assigned you, so those engineers definitely you have to finish your job. Okay, so that is see, while doing your duty, you can do performance and you can provide the services at the same time. You will get the experiences from your job. That is going to change your career, right? Every step is important while you are doing your duty, right? Yes, come on. And now here, 17 points here, mammography completed. Next, mammography calibration checklist here. These are the very, very important. So what is, sir? What is PMS and what is calibration, sir? Difference what? So many engineers are asking. See, for calibration purpose, I have provided the complete live session, 2 hours live sessions I have provided in my YouTube channel very clearly, and very more people are so engaged and response also very well. Go to my channel, Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh and calibration related. I have provided 3 sessions. And next, preventive maintenance purpose also complete documents, what are the requirement and what are the things important I have given. But here I will give the small variations between this. What is PMS? So preventive maintenance services. Okay. So preventive maintenance what? So only attend the hospital and we have to check the list as per schedule, and we have to check it all things and by manual, and we have to check it physically we have to attend, and we have to check all things, and all equipment is fine or not, physically spare parts are good or not, and physically good or not, if looking good or not, if any damages or not. Okay, that is then we have to clean up the equipment and we have to check it all things, and we have to make it working condition. After resolve the issues, then only we apply the PMS. Okay, if it is any not working condition, then also not applicable. Okay, you have to keep in your mind what I'm saying here. And see, PMS is what I have given: cleaning and checking and replacing and make it working condition. At the same time, calibration time what? We have to calibrate the parameters. I hope you catch my points what I'm saying here. As a biomedical engineer, listen to carefully what I'm saying here, and take it serious what I'm speaking here. Right. Calibration what? Calibrate the equipment because of we have a parameters. Understand? So every equipment, every medical equipment have a parameters depend on my equipment. That parameters will be available. Those parameters how will decide by using the sensors. It is connected to our body. So by through the sensors, we will get the information that is going to change in the parameters. It is display on the equipment. Okay. In mammography also display will be there, and what parameters are there, everything it will we can see all things. So that is the reason if you do the calibrate, what happen? High electrical voltages and high fluctuations and anything, any parameters, if it is not accurate, then we will make it calibrate, then we will get the accurate values. It is a see by calibration purpose we need master test equipment, but preventive maintenance purpose we need when we no need master equipment, but we need basic biomedical tools, multimeter, okay, screwdrivers, and whatever the basic tools are there. So those basic tools are very very important as a biomedical engineer regularly what they are using, definitely. But electrical safety analyzer is very very important. Understand? Right. So this is the preventive maintenance and calibration. So in this every equipment wise we have a lot of informations. So today I want to cover regard the mammography equipment purpose. So I will give the complete information. I'm talking about the only mammography equipment purpose. So I'm going to dedicate this all biomedical engineering services purpose. That's why today I took these points, whatever required points and necessary points to all biomedical engineering only. I'm providing here. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, come on. And whoever engaged, please subscribe now. Now, why need skilled engineers? See here. These are the important questions. See here. In this first slide's presentation, basic things I'm going to give explanation. And next slide presentation in this live session, I'm going to cover the internal equipment, internal part of the equipment, and in practical way how patients are connecting the equipment and how everything I'm going to show you and going to give the examples. Everything to make you understand, to give the awareness about the medical equipment as a biomedical engineers, practical way, right? Right. Come on. Now see here. Why need a skilled engineer? See here. See, why need engineers? Because see, we completed the graduations, okay, like diploma qualifications, BTech qualifications, MBA qualifications. We completed a lot of qualifications and higher educations, and we paid a lot of fees. But practical knowledge not available. Why? Why you are not expecting from the college? So there you have to get it because of you are paying 20 to nearly 12 to 20 lakhs we are paying to the college. Nowadays we have that much competition in the society. Why? After completion of graduations, you will get a great opportunities, jobs, biomedical engineering related. So that's why valid information I'm giving here and try to utilize my YouTube channel, and definitely it is going to change your career. Take it serious, okay? Right. So whenever you face the problem, when you are in trouble, then you come to know the value of the biomedical, then you can search my channel, then you will get it. Yes, sir. Sir, I need, sir. Because of lot of business, they're asking, I'm receiving a lot of comments in good way. That is I'm very happy. Positive vibes are coming, positive responses coming, okay? Come to the point right now. Why need a skilled engineer? You see here. Why need skilled engineer in hospitals for mammography? See here. Correct diagnosis is important, and patient safety is important. Cost saving is important, and reduce downtime and long equipment life and quality assurance. Okay. For this purpose, skilled engineer what? He is only focusing on complaint. Okay, because of problem solver. So what are the required skills I'm sharing here in this live session? Okay, and you have to focus here correct diagnosis, correctly find out the problem, and patient safety also important. Sometimes what happen, radiations coming, then patient will get suffer, sometimes fluctuations will, sometimes body get electric shock because of earthing. If not good, then what will happen, equipment also getting shock. So those things many time happen. So that is the reason you have to check it all things as a great responsibility of biomedical engineers, right? Come on. Now I hope you got it. Why need skilled engineer? I hope you got it right now. Yes. Let me go next. Film or cassette types of CFMC here. So these are the films. Why? Because see, films purpose. Why need to know, sir? I am a biomedical engineer, sir. I need to check the equipment only. Then what happen? Sometimes films are there. Okay, those films stucking inside of the equipment, and sometimes stucking wrongly placement. So then what happen? Problems will come. Then you have to know these are the basics. What are the films they are using in this mission? Okay, in the equipment. Now see, let me say types of SFM. See here, 8 to 24 cm standard and 24 to 30 cm large, and screen types regular, high resolution, and high contrast. Okay, these are the film cassette details. Okay, so these are the these question definitely when you face the interview, then they will ask you about the topic. See here what. So basic means simply you have to know 8 to 24 centimeters is standard, sir. Okay, and 24 to 30 centimeters. They will ask you 8 to 24 cm. What is category? Like they will ask you standard, sir. If you say, then you will get pass. So see, every interview they will ask you means they are giving the opportunity. They are going to select you in that company. So that much capability you have. Otherwise, that much adaptable skills you have. They will ready to give the instructions. So that is the interview. Okay, interview is the one of the opportunity to lead your life, right? So is it clear right now? Yes. Now come here. See, now today what we are discussing about radiology medical equipment, that is mammography. Now come to this here. Mammography time, duration and time procedure. This is very, very important. Understand? Because of see duration of time procedure, each view 2 to 5 seconds. And listen to carefully, note down. It is very, very important, my dear engineers. And see here, duration of time procedure, each view 2 to 5 seconds, and total exam time 10 to 20 minutes, and depends on views and patient condition. Okay, sir, why need to know, sir? Because of the basic information, these are things, some interview time important. At the same time, if sometimes what happen, equipment not working, then how much time taken means. So if you have these all information, sir, then definitely you have to give the answers. At the same time, instantly you have to respond all things. At the same time, you have to, okay, you have to give the answers very clearly, and that is the reason today I'm providing the informations. My opinion, every biomedical engineer should be capable and should not keep your face blank. And you should do something, you should get something, and you should be a life something. Okay? Right, I hope you catch my points right now. And duration of times here, procedures. So while doing the mammography time, how much time taken? Maximum 10 to 20 minutes is the finish. It depend on cases, depend on operations, depend on procedures. It is going to apply. But anyhow, within 30 minutes, it is everything is closed. Right? Come on. Next, at what situation need to check mammography? Okay. These are the things very important, and try to listen carefully. So these are the questions. See, these are the questions as a biomedical engineer. You have to raise yourself and you have to communicate with your senior. So whenever you attend the complaint, then you may not have doubts, because of that time you are getting worry and patient area. You have to focus the works, and the complaint is different. Understand? So that's why internal things, internal skills, you have to focus all things. That's why today what I'm saying here, and try to listen it very clearly. Right? Yes. Now come here. Low image quality. At what situation need to check mammography? Okay. As a biomedical, listen to carefully. So these are the situations I'm going to say. Listen to carefully. Low image quality and patient complaints and regular QC schedule, and after survive and repair and change in exposure. Okay. At this situation, you have to check it and you have to follow and you have to be active, right? I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here, my dear engineers. So now see here, in this way, I'm giving all information. So now next point, see here, come here. Because of pin-to-pin information, I'm going to share with you all, because of which is very, very important. Whenever see all points in collected and procured and prepared the information based on my 18 years of experiences and different multiple several types of whatever I have attended in my life. Those things I'm going to give you presentation, right? So this is giving only presentation, but it is giving the good platform to all biomedical engineers. So unique way I'm trying to give you, because of 12 lakhs user people means so many people are engaged with sessions, and I'm expecting coming days more lakhs of people should engage my sessions and should utilize my channel in the right way. Right? Yes, come on. And let me finish right now. See here now, which category equipment, see here. This is the, see here, this is very, very important as a biomedical engineer. Which category? Okay. Category wise, I have already explained. I have provided the live session, that is class 1, class 2, class 3. Okay. So these are the things I have already provided, because see, every topic I'm going to escalate, I'm going to give the explanations with clear, very clear, with good patience, with excellent presentations. Because of I'm going to give the contributions to every biomedical services purpose, how much I'm giving dedications, how much I'm focusing. That is the reason today I'm getting the state level regional manager. Yes. So that is the reason every designation is changing means every getting promotions. It is not easy to get it all things in our life. Something is we should be unique and we should do perform, right? So for those things, every biomedical we should be think as a aspiring biomedical engineer. I hope you got it. Now see here, which category equipments here? Diagnostic imaging equipment, class 2 or high risk equipment. Okay. So please keep note down, because of this question they will ask you. Mammography equipment, which category equipment means, then you have to say class 2, sir, and high risk equipment, sir. That is imaging, sir. Okay. Diagnostic imaging equipment, sir. So these are things whoever asking or not, that is another matter. But you have to keep remember in your mind. Okay. Yes, my dear engineers, listen to carefully, and whoever engaged, please subscribe now. And it is going to record. And nothing to worry. Whoever not able to join, and every time, anyone, anytime, anywhere. Can watch my sessions. It is available in the social media. It's my YouTube channel. That is Biomedical Engineer with Ganesh. I hope you got it. Next, come here. Equipment prices, see here, indicators here. See, equipment prices, how much will be there? Digital mammography, 35 lakhs to 1.25 crores, depend on features and brand. Okay. So that's why I'm always saying medical equipment, definitely it is a expensive cost and expensive services, and it is a prestigious. So that's why we are neglecting, because of so many people, they may not have awareness. That is the reason. If you get the proper opportunity, if you get the proper job, if you get the proper salaries, and if you are focusing clearly, if you keep efforts in a possible way, and definitely many people can engage. Now thousands of engineers available in the society, that is really hats off to all. So like every maximum senior, see, biomedical engineers are nowadays thousands of available in the country of India, in the store globally also available. That is very proud, and I want to increase, because of in my team hundreds of engineers we have available. Understand? So that is very proud, and every engineer dedicated their work. They are very happy. So that's why every time you give the instructions, sir, they will utilize my channel. Yes, sir. Daily I am watching your live sessions, sir. It's a very fantastic, sir. So those are giving comments like me. That time I'm very happy, very satisfied. So that's why daily I'm giving. I want to give the valuable information. Okay. Right. Come on. Come to the point right now. See here. Equipment prices. How much here? Digital mammography. How much will be there? Because of, as a biomedical engineer, you should know, because see, if you are working as a biomedical in hospital, that hospital management ready to start the mammography, then you have to know these all informations as a biomedical engineer, to give the instructions as a, okay, biomedical engineer. Very, very important. You should be capable, and you should give the this all information. Definitely they will happy. And whenever good biomedical engineer, whenever skilled biomedical engineer available in hospital, that hospital is very, very lucky. So now almost all hospitals are maximum lucky what we have in the country of India, right? So that's why I'm not point out anything, because of, see, in my live sessions, my focus is only for to give the awareness about the society, about the biomedical services, and upcoming days everyone should have awareness, and everyone should have a employability. Okay, everyone should get a job. Okay, to get a job purpose, what are the things important? I'm sharing here, right? Just try to catch my points. So see here, equipment price 35 lakhs to 1.25 crores, depends on features and brand. Okay. So these are the these are the not exact value. It is the estimation value, because some depend on equipments, companies, make model from foreign countries. It is going to changes. Okay. Right. Come on. Now top manufacturers in the world. See here. So mammography companies here, that's why I always see here whatever I'm giving instructions, these all things completely based on my experiences. I have worked in different mammography companies, mammography equipments in private hospital, corporate hospitals. That's why every information is very, very important. The real time hospital experiences I'm going to share with you all, right? Yes, come on. Now see here, top manufacturers in the world, completely mammography equipment. See here, GE Healthcare USA, Hologic USA, and Siemens Healthineers Germany, and Philips Netherlands, and Fujifilm Japan. Okay, these are the multiple brand and top level companies leading the complete global, right? So see, I have worked where GE Healthcare I have worked, and Philips and Fujifilm. These are three kinds of and Siemens also I got it in one hospital, right? So that is the thing. See, if you take any make model, any companies, but equipment is same. So we have a updated technical society. So that is the reason today I'm giving informations. It is going to update your knowledge, right? Yes. So now come here. When recommended to maintain in hospitals. See here, this is very, very important. As a biomedical engineer, sir, if you are working in hospital, so all kinds of doubts will become, and all types of issues will come, documentary, technically, equipment management, and anything. Because if in private hospital, corporate hospital, there separate department will be there. Biomedical engineering department is there. One biomedical engineer has to take responsibility, complete all departments, whatever available in the hospital. Yes. So that is the reason today I'm giving you. Now come to the point right now. When what question right next? When recommended to maintain in hospitals. Okay, when recommended, because of, see, these mammography is high expensive, and that PSC CSC level sometimes if they're not recommended, then if you recommend there, the no use, company business will decrease. Understand? So these are things hospital management will decide, not biomedical engineer. They will decide and they will approach you. If you're skilled engineer, definitely they will approach you. Yes, biomedical engineer, what make model is better, what performance will give you, and everything they will ask you question. Then you should be capable. Okay. Right, come on. Now, let me say, when recommend to the maintenance hospital, I want to say, see here, daily visual inspection and weekly basic functional check and monthly QC and cleaning and half yearly calibration and yearly comprehensive PM. Okay. As a biomedical engineer, maintenance here, these are the things you have to follow. For these things, nobody tell you. Okay. You have to get it and you have to understand and you should do your duty as per responsibilities. If you are qualified person, then there see before you are providing the resume and your data, then yes sir, I am qualified sir, I have experience sir, given. But at the same time, practically also you should be capable. Okay. If you're not capable, then nothing to worry. Okay. Everything purpose, my platform is there, that is Biomedical with Ganesh YouTube channel. Okay. Ganesh are always available and try to support with you all, right? And I hope you got it. When recommended to maintain hospital, these are the points you have to keep in mind and you have to focus. And while doing the duty, if you have any problem, just give me comment in my YouTube channel. Definitely I will be there to support you, right? And still see, everything I'm giving information is because of for your duty purpose, job purpose. You should do your duty. I'm sorry, I'm also doing my duty as a state regional manager. I no need to give you these all informations, but when I'm leading the engineers and I'm giving the instructions to all engineers, everyone should have that much capabilities, that much performance. Then only we will get the 100 out of 100% performance, and we can expect from the engineers, right? Right, come on. Now, when recommend to maintain hospitals, I hope you got it very clear right now. And whoever newcomers, please subscribe now and try to engage my sessions. And why get problems in equipment? See here. See, important points only I'm going to discuss with you all. These are the things. See, now see nowadays, 1 hour, 2 hours I'm giving live sessions. Means today you are listening only 1 2 hours, but these all informations I captured and I got the experience in my life where 18 years of experiences and multiple types of complaints. I maintain the logbook. I maintain the all things. So those things I prepared in my presentations. I want to give the explanation to be clarity about your doubts and whoever are working as a biomedical engineers. Okay, I hope you are getting my point right now. Your clarity? Yes, come on, let me continue right now. See here, why get problems in equipment? I want to say mammography. See here, and listen to carefully, my dear engineers, biomedical engineers, and whoever working in society. Everyone, we are the team together. We have to provide the services as a biomedical category. Right, come on. Let's see here, why get problems in equipment mammography? Poor handling, lack of PM, power fluctuations, dust and poor environment, and untrained operators. Okay, mostly at these situations, that is the reason complete responsibility of the biomedical engineer. Why saying? Because of these are the things important. So by see, as a biomedical engineer, what is your responsibility? What are the works and everything you have to practice? That is going to change your career. Okay. So many in this what, sir, I have worked in a hospital, sir, 5 years completed, sir, but still I'm not getting promotion, sir. So if you think like that, what is the problem? Because that is the reason. When you do the work properly, then everybody watching you, everybody observing you, hospital management. Okay, take it positive, yeah. But because of you are doing job, you need money. Okay, yes. So for that purpose, we have to maintain our job honestly, promptly, and genuine. Do your duty and finish the duty. After duty, you can enjoy the life. Yes. So my advice, my dear engineers, students. Okay. Right. Come on. So I hope you got it. Why get problems in equipment? At these situations, you should not neglect. And if you not have an idea, if you get a complaint from the hospital, then you should communicate with your seniors. Okay. Don't keep hide yourself because of if equipment is not working, then complete patients are waiting for that equipment that many patients are postponing. Then what happen? Hospital revenue will decrease, right? So that is why everything try to get it proactive and everything try to keep it first priority, right? And mostly see in biomedical services, radiology equipment, whenever you get a complaint, then immediately try to attend within 5 seconds. 5 minutes, sorry, 5 seconds not possible. Within 5 minutes, okay, 5 to 10 minutes, you should be there and you should approach that area. And after attend that, it will take time. But at the same time, you have to communicate with the hospital, the technicians, and radiology HOD, and then, sir, we are in working, sir. We will do, sir. We will give the update, sir. And maximum whatever possible, just try to implement and try to practice and try to give the best efforts. So don't escape from there. If you are junior also, okay, try to communicate with the senior in a polite way and try to finish your work. So ultimately, what every biomedical engineer should do, finish your job with your own hands. Ultimately, okay. So that's why whatever the things requirement I'm giving here and try to catch my points and let me continue. And next point, see here. Advantages of the mammography, see here. See every point I'm going to give you because of every pin to pin point I don't want to miss here. Okay. Now see here, advantages of the mammography radiology equipment, that is gynecology diagnosis. See here, early detection. Okay, for mammography advantages, what? Why we are using this equipment? Early detection, high image quality, low radiation dose digital, and fast and reliable, better patient safety. Okay, these are the very very important advantages. It is going to help the patient. Understand? So see, as a human being, what we are expecting, easy to detect and easy to find out the issue within less time. Then we can give the treatment. Understand? So diagnosis is very very important. I hope you got it. So that is the reason. See, in medical field, we have a different categories of equipment, that is diagnostic equipment, treatment equipment, surgery equipment, and different kinds of equipment. So those things I'm going to give the explanation in my live sessions. Okay. Now today I'm covering only what? Radiology equipment, mammography. Everything be professional, and what I'm saying here, everything you have to take it professional way, right? Yes, come on. Now the advantages, I hope you got it very clearly. Now at the same time, advantage disadvantages also I want to give the information, because of it should be activity, because of at what situation, some situations we required and we have to recommend also, no need to compromise. Now come to, now see here, disadvantages of the mammography I want to give you. These are the points. It is very very important. Try to keep in your mind. See here, high initial cost. Yes, because of that much we are maintaining technology. So technology means that those technologies we have to buy. We have to depend on companies. That companies, foreign companies, and other companies also there. Okay. So top companies, manufacturers I have given here. So those companies, so lot of expenses are there. So that much value in biomedical services. That's why, see, advantages see here. Disadvantages, high initial cost. That is why 35 lakhs to minimum 1.25 crores. So more than this also available. Nowadays we have a updated technology. So based on companies, it is going to high, it is going to low also. But maximum it will not be low, high only. And see here, required skilled staff and regular QA needed, and radiation exposure if not control. Okay, these are the very very important. QA is important, and as per schedule we have to finish all things. We have to follow all things, and we should not neglect. Understand? Because why I'm saying radiology equipment, it is a small thing also. It is going to create the big issue. It is going to create the big problem. That's why if you focus starting situation, initial situation, then you can get it all things and you can clear the issues within the okay critical condition. I hope you got my points right now till now what I'm saying here. And these all things, see, in this live presentation, in this slide, successfully I have completed right now. And see here, I'm going to real-time hospital experiences I want to share here. See, this is only what? Only first part of this mammography session. Okay, this is the only what? As your biomedical engineer purpose, basic knowledge. And if you not have proper idea, and if you are experienced also, if you have doubt also, these are things, if you catch it, then definitely you will get a clarity about my informations. Okay, right? And see, single day single time not possible. Okay, you have to practice, practice, practice. Practice makes man perfect, we know very well. Yes, if you're not understand, multiple times try to watch it, try to get it. Okay, right? And now see here, now these all informations here, these all things I have very clearly I have given the points, and pin to pin point I have explained here. Now see here, applications of mammography. See here, I hope is it visible right now, my dear engineers? Yes, come on and listen to carefully. And applications of see here, mammography, breast cancer screening and diagnostic, see here, evaluation, and present, see here, pre-surgical assessment, and monitoring treatment and guiding see here, interventions. So at these situations applications, so these are the gynecology related. Mammography is the gynecology related equipment. Okay, Next here, I want to share the real-time hospital experiences. Till now, what I have shared, the all points are real-time hospital experiences only. But here, one real-time hospital with the hospital management. So those things I'm going to share here, right? Yes, come on. And real-time hospital experience here in real hospital practice, proper positioning, correct exposure, and regular QC are very important. And most rejections are due to wrong positioning and compressions. Okay, a well-maintained mammography system gives excellent image quality with low dose and helps in early detection of breast cancer, which saves many lives. So that is the important. Life saving is important. Proper diagnosis, if he is proper diagnosis, then proper treatment it is going to apply the patient, then patient will get that the proper treatment. Okay, that is that thing I'm what I'm going to share with you all. These all information is very very important. Okay, so these are things why I'm giving, because of this is the life saving equipments and human technology equipment, everyone we should take care, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. So now see here, I hope you got it very clear right now, my dear engineers. And advice to all engineers here: always follow safety, do regular PM and calibration, keep good records, and use original spares, update the knowledge and support clinical team. And your service ensure accurate diagnosis and patient safety. Okay, these all things. Why I'm giving here? Ultimately, you have to perform your duty. At the same time, you have to respond instantly. That is the important as a great responsibility of all biomedical engineers. Okay, so in this slide presentation successfully I have completed right now, and next slide I'm going to know, see here, one nation, one standard, better biomedical engineer for better health care. Okay, so till now I have successful the mammography equipment. Now we will enter into the next inside of the equipment. Okay, now come here. Now inside of the equipment, see here. See, whatever I'm giving the promise and I'm giving the instructions, those things I'm going to give the explanation. Okay. So, see, today is Sunday, but I'm engaging with you all. I'm giving the contributions and valuable information. So, try to catch us. Okay. And let me finish right now. Keep watch my sessions. And now come to the topic. Now see here. So, this topic, mammography system, internal view, electrical and electronic parts. And why I'm interested to give you this information, because of these information is not possible. Okay, if you are working as a biomedical engineer also, open the equipment purpose, you may not have that much dare, that much power. Okay, so many engineers are may not ready to, because of if I touch the equipment it will get shock, if I open the equipment it will get in anything problem. So many type of phobia you have. Yes, so those things as a biomedical engineer you should remove from your mind. Okay, and try to focus. And now next slide presentation in this live session, that is mammography equipment. When you open the see, when you open the equipment, because see, maximum 90% you should know the troubleshootings, operating settings. Before opening the equipment you give the instructions to the technician, you should do like this and do like this and do like this, like so maximum problems will resolve. Sometimes what happen, you give the instructions also and you check the equipment also, still equipment not working condition. Okay, so then you have to make it working condition. That time you have to open the equipment. So those things I'm going to give the informations, what is the important and necessary to all biomedical engineers. Okay, I hope you got my point right now, my dear engineers, and take it serious. And what I'm saying, it is going to record and listen to carefully. And see here, what I'm giving the presentation here, very clearly information. See here, in this first slide presentation, I have given the complete overview of the mammography equipment. Now, when open the equipment for your awareness purpose, see, here I'm not taking any company, make, model. Universal information and basic information for medical equipment, that is mammography purpose, I'm giving here escalation. Okay. So internal parts, what are the things are there, what are the electrical components are there. If you open the equipment, how look like, that much opportunity you may not have. That is the reason today I'm giving here information. Okay, and try to catch my points. And whenever you need to attend the hospital, then no need to worry, don't get panic. Sir, I don't know work, sir. Sir, I don't know that much knowledge, sir. Don't show your things in front of anyone. Okay, and communicate with your senior. Then try to think all things and try to get it all things, and you should be a modestable attitude. Okay, then you should down to earth and you should behave very clearly, politely, because of you are the learner. Okay, so that is the reason. And see, by here life saving equipment also, you have to focus and you have to communicate with your seniors. Okay, I hope you got it. Right, come to the point right now. We should get it technical points. Those things are what I'm going to show you right now. Yes. Now see here, mammography system, internal view, electrical and electronic components. How look like? Yes. Every engineer, students, please watch my sessions and get it. If you know these all things, you will get a good life and you will get a good experiences. So in my life, multiple years of experiences in my life, after doing my job, I have struggled in my life. Those things I got in my life. But today I'm giving information which it is going to give the good platform in your life. Whoever interested, whoever join, and whoever listen my engage my live sessions. Okay, right. Come to the point right now. See here. Here internal set points here. What are the things that every level parts here very clearly I have mentioned here. I hope is it visible right now. First of all, see this picture. What I'm showing here. Okay, see, I'm going to give the very clearly and very slowly because of every point is very important. At any situations, at any problem will come. That is the reason today I'm showing you these all informations to get a update for yourself. Okay, right. Come on, my dear engineers and students, and first of all, see this picture. I hope is it visible right now. Yes, I will give the time 1 minute and try to watch it and try to see it. What are the labels are there, and I will tell you. I will going to read also. Right. First of all, watch it right now. Okay. And see, today what time I'm providing single day. Yes, sir, I'm watching your live sessions. I will be perfect. Don't think like that, okay? Because these are things I'm giving. But when you go to practical way, when you touch the equipment, when you check the equipment, and now whatever I'm going to show you, every component is every unique specific functions will be there. Any problem, anything will come. But why I'm showing here? Whenever you get a complaint, technical error, then based on complaint you have to check it. Otherwise, this is the huge equipment, high risky equipment, then not possible to diagnose this very clearly, right? And just catch my points what I'm saying here, and those are the things you should be awareness, right? And now come to the point right now. See here, my dear engineers. So this also in this slide presentations here, this all informations very clearly I'm going to explain. Okay, I'm going to give the complete information which is important to your work area. Okay, so these all things if you understanding purpose, whoever interested, whoever want to become a specialist, whoever want to become a whoever want to become a good biomedical engineer, whoever want to survive long time. So definitely these all points, because of see so many engineers are there available in the society. Because of I have hundreds of engineers, so many engineers are excellent. So that's why if I provide the information, sir, definitely when you focus my channel, when you watch my sessions, definitely pin to pin point information which is about the mammography purpose. I'm whatever I'm providing, it is going to very sir. Yes, sir, Ganesh sir giving excellent sir. Then definitely will come to give the decision point. Okay. Now come here, come to the point right now. These are the points I'm going to show you right now. Everything now technical points only I'm going to discuss here. Okay, right. I hope you got it. Right, come to the point and let me say, listen to carefully. Now I'm going to start now, and every level parts here. So whenever I'm reading, then you have to understand. Okay. See here, X-ray tube number one. See here, one by one. I'm going to read and listen to carefully. It is going to record, and let me say, let me finish right now. Okay. Right. Come on. X-ray tube assembly, high voltage generator, filtration assembly, collimeter, compression paddle, detector flat panel, and breast support platform, and control panel at touchscreen, and main power switch, power supply unit SMPS, UPS or battery backup, and inverter board, and main control PCB, and more motor driver board, communication board, HV capacitor tank, okay, bank, and HV transformer, and one cooling fans, and line filter, EMI filter, circuit breaker MCB, and see here contactor relays, and emergency stopwatch, and to see here 24 points here door interlock system here 25th earth or ground terminal. Okay, these are the very important points you have to keep in your mind and you have to practice. And actually tube assembly, how to do, what to do, what are the functions. So before touch the equipment you have to practice. Okay, so 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, minimum up to 5 years you have to train up in, because of this is the high risk equipment. If you want to perfect, these are the things you have to focus. So if you want to be perfect about this mammography purpose, definitely you should join in original equipment manufacturers, because of companies are different and hospital services are different. Okay, and keep in your mind. And see, companies are only, they are providing the services for only whatever they are preparing the equipment. Okay, they are manufacturing the equipment, what only for that particular equipment. So that is the reason. So mammography equipment purpose, already I have given the multiple companies whatever available in the global. So those things you have to attend and you have to face the interview. Okay, so then you have to focus. So whenever if you want to become a specialist any equipment, then first of all you have to work in 1 to 2 years in hospitals, because of basic information, basic technical skills, very very important. Those skills possibility to get in a hospital area, because of multiple equipments are available in the hospital. That is the great platform to learn all things. Okay, so after that you can go to the original equipment manufacturer. So these are the things information. Okay, and these are things today why I'm giving all informations, because of for awareness purpose, what is what and everything. I'm going to give the explanations. It's my unique way. It's my presentation is based on my experiences. I'm giving here and try to collect it. Okay, right. These are the see electrical electronic components I'm giving here. Every point is here. These all points see for one equipment purpose, one medical equipment working purpose. So how many components are there and what are the parts are there? These are the things. See, everything is very very important. So here also see every component one to one, pin to pin connection is there. See here. See, when I'm giving the statement, then see, when I'm giving these all information, so these are the very simple. You are thinking, you are listening. But when you are going to repair the equipment, touch the equipment purpose, so many challenges are there. Understand? So many challenges are there. Then every challenges you have to, okay, face the problem. One day you face the problem, yes, you will trouble. Because of sometimes what happened, mammography equipment not working is a complete day also you have to spend it. But easily you cannot find it because of you are not that much experienced person, for example. Okay, so then what happened, even expert person also, even direct company persons also, they are not able to diagnose this very clearly immediately if any major issues. Okay, so that's why before you have to take the precautions what I'm saying here. And whenever you get a great problem, then if you are spending, that is no value of your work. Yes, so that's why every day you have to focus, you have to monitor all things, and daily small things you have to focus, then you can give the proper informations and you can resolve the issues. So one day if you neglect, then what will happen, small issue it is going to create the biggest issue. Then one component only will get damaged, but what component is damaged you cannot find out. Time taken process, because of step 1, step 2, step 3, like every part is there. See here, when you see this here, understand. So that is the reason I want to give the information, so for your awareness purpose. I hope you got it. Right, come on, now come to the point right now. And what are the, see here, and I hope you got it, what are the level parts inside the equipment for your knowledge purpose. And these are the points you have to learn and you have to practice. Here, my advice was, before touching any medical equipment, you have to read the manual. Okay, every equipment, minor equipment, major equipment, critical equipment, non-critical equipment, radiology equipment. Okay, any equipment, you should okay, one take half an hour and read all things. What is what specifications? What are the electrical fluctuations are there? What are the limitations? And what are the troubleshootings? Everything available there. Okay, right? Don't hurry up, don't get okay, because if you do worry, then those are the things, critical things, it is going to affect you. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, and try to catch my points what I'm saying here as a biomedical engineers. So I hope you got it, whatever I'm showing the pictures instead of the equipment, those parts, I hope you got it. Now come to the point right now. I want to show you every component, spare parts and explanations I want to give you. See, today I'm giving this much dedication, and how you are taking, how you are receiving, how you are practicing, how you are reaching. That is your with your hands. Okay. So everything. See, today in my life I have worked on all categories and I have proved myself and I have maintained profile and I have maintained the now leading top level categories, and now upcoming days also I have a great ambition in my life. Is it okay? Right. Come to the point right now. Let me finish right now. Come on, without waste of time. See, I'm not wasting of time, because of every pin to pin point is I want to give you. That is why if it is going to time taken process, but this is the very valuable information. Now come to the point right now. Very clearly I'm going to give the information. See here, so mammography, see, electrical electronic components also very very important. And first session I have explained what is what, basics and everything. Okay, so complete information I'm trying to give you all information. Okay, right, listen to carefully, my dear engineers. And every comments here, spare parts and explanation in instead of the mammography radiology equipment, that is gynecology related. See here, gynecology, what, gynecology diagnosis related. Understand? Okay, now see here, Now, component and function and component spare part, I'm going to tell you and listen to carefully and try to capture my points. This is the proper notes. In which way I'm explaining, in which way I'm providing the notes. Whoever engineers and students before making the project, these are the things important and you have to listen it. And maximum, try to contact me in a professional way and try to involvement in every point that you can listen and get it and practice. What you are studying in college time, that is college only to get a marks and to get the certification purpose. You are reading, you are doing. That is another matter. Understand? If you are doing any qualifications, any qualifications, at the end of the day, you have to do the job and you have to get the professional life and you have to survey your life, right? So for that purpose, I'm giving here and complete my life. I'm going to give the inspiration. Now come to the point right now. I want to give the electronic, electrical, technical way. I'm going to give the information here, components. I'm going to read down. Now see here, X-ray tube assembly, component name. Now function what? X-ray tube assembly, what will do? Generates the X-rays. Okay. So these are the things. If you are a new person, so this is the information. So it is may new to you. Okay. Try to capture my points. And now here, see here, X-ray tube assembly. Common spare parts here, X-ray tube, anode tube, housing. These are the points. Try to keep in your mind. And practical way, try to practice. And individually, don't touch and don't oversmart on medical equipment without the seniors. You have to touch the equipment with the seniors because of they have get experience and they will protect you and they will give the idea also, right? Right. Now high voltage connect generator, see here, generates high voltage for see tube and HV generator module. Next see here, filtration assembly removes low energy X-ray AI filter holder. Okay, and whatever I'm saying and try to finish right now and try to listen very clearly, right? Come on. And collimator component. Okay, next function what will happen? Shapes X-ray beam and collimator blades light sources. Okay, and point wise I'm going to show you, listen to carefully. And compression paddles here, compresses breast and paddle motor. Okay, next detector flat panel, this is the component of this mammography. And what functions? Captures X-ray image and flat panel detector. And breast support platforms here, supports patient breast and platform plate support cushion. Okay, so where is the cushion? So first time only I have shown that picture of the equipment, then you can get it. That is the reason before whenever you see the equipment, then you should know, you should recognize the equipment whenever you see the equipment. Okay, right, come on. And breast support platform, seventh point, see here, seventh point. And components here, breast support platform and supports against breast and platform plate support cushion. Okay, these are the see here functions and common spare parts I'm going to say. And try to catch my points what I'm saying here and try to take it technically perfect. And see here, 8th point, control panel, touch screen and user interface and touch screen display. And mammography, see here, main power switch, main power on or off switch. And this is the common spare part. And see, these are things why I'm giving here. At any situation, so these components may get damages. You have to find out. If you know these all functions, by getting complaint that display will display appear on the error appear in the display. Okay, so that time you have to find out and you have to give the resolutions. Now 10th point here, power supply unit SMPS and convert AC to DC SMPS model. See, record this SMPS purpose. Always I'm saying in every medical equipment, definitely SMPS will be there. Why, sir? Switch mode power supply SMPS, why required, sir? Because if you question me like that, then what will happen? In every medical equipment manufactures electrical electronics basis, okay, complete with the support of engineering principle rule that is going to manufacture the equipment, okay, by the different multiple companies. I hope you got it right now. So that is the reason. So basic things you have to keep in your mind and you have to be perfect. It's a practice, okay? Now come here, my dear engineers. Let me finish right now. Important topic only I'm going to give the informations. Now UPS are battery backups here in mammography. In UPS are battery backup. Why? Because of whenever getting a power fluctuation, so it is a high risk equipment. You should maintain the UPS is very, very important. UPS purpose, what are the functions and everything I have provided. I have given the explanation, complete 1 to 2 hours live sessions, very clearly information is what is the function of this UPS. Okay, simply I want to say UPS battery backup with whenever power backup. Okay, whenever power gone, then it is going to working like a real power. Okay, now see here, power backup and batteries UPS module. Just catch my points. Now 12 points here, inverter board. Mammography is here, inverter board, and DC to AC for motors and inverter module. Okay, and main control PCB. See, mammography control system operations and main PCB and motor driver board. This is the component and functions here. Drive motors and driver board and communication boards here, data communication and communication PCB and HV capacitor component and function store HV energy and component spare part what HV capacitor. Okay, so these are the things. See, that is why I'm saying always biomedical engineering is like a ocean. How much you are learning, how much you practice, that much you will get it back. And see here, HV capacitor banks here, stores HV energy, HV capacitors, and now 17 points here, HV transformer of the mammography, step up voltage and HV transformer, and cooling fans here, cools electronic components, DC fan, and line filter reduces electrical noise, line filter, and EMI filters here, prevents EMI interferences in EMI filter. And I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here. It is visible right now. I'm not going fast, but I'm trying to give the complete informations with very clear informations I'm showing you. Right? Now see here 21 here circuit breaker MCB overloaded of short circuit promise here MCB and contactor relays and switching high power contactor relay and see here emergency stopwatch stop system in emergency stop switch and door interlock switch safety interlock and interlock switch and earth ground terminals and provide safety grounding ground cable terminals. Okay, so these all things I'm giving information because of awareness is important. So these all components purpose, you should be a practice. Okay. Single day not possible. Okay. Day to day practice. If you are interested, if you are focusing on mammography related, then these are the time taken process. These are the steps you need to follow. Right. I hope you got it very clear, right, my dear engineers? Yes. Come on. So see, this must see complete information I have given here. I hope you got it. Next, come here. Internal electrical block diagram. See here. Is it clear, my voice? Right, sorry for disturbance. Next, continue. Next here, internal electrical block diagrams here for your awareness purpose. How look like and before service, before do the services, then we have to read the manuals and you have to check it all circuit diagrams. And now electrical electronic block diagram how look like. I want to show you here. See here very clearly. It is visible right now. Yes, my dear engineers. See, learning process is in this way. Okay, if you want to perfect in medical equipment, if you want to get a skills and if you want to improve your skills, then you have to focus your fate. Okay, whatever you want, if you have to fight with your fate, not with others. As a biomedical engineers. Okay, I should become it, definitely will get it. Okay, right, come on. Internal electrical block diagram. See here, input MCB and AM. See, first of all, see this picture very clearly. Block diagram of this mammography, internal electrical block diagram. And easy to not easy to understand because of these are the very complicated things, and even you have to practice and you have to attend and you have to follow with the instructions of the senior biomedical engineers. Okay, right, come on, let me go next topic. Next, common regular problems spare parts. See here, see these all things whatever I'm sharing here, these all informations is going to your practical. Okay, if you know these all things, if you are capable these all things, then no need to depend on other sources, hospital, because of whenever biomedical engineer capable to do all things, then no need to give the services and no need to wait long time. Understand, because of within less time if you are find out, then definitely attend the equipment and check the equipment, resolve the issues within 24 hours. You can resolve the issues. Yes, so that much category we have to perfect. Now come here, my dear engineers. Now common regular problems, spare parts, every pin to pin point I'm going to show you right now is visible right now. And let me finish right now. See here, and your encourage is very very important. And biomedical engineers, see here, common regular spare parts in mammography. What are the things are there? X-ray tube, HV generator, flat panel detector, SMPS power supply, and main control PCB, motor driver board, inverter board, cooling fans, HV capacitors, and relay are see here contactors, and touch screen display, and compression paddle, and paddle motor, emergency stopwatch, an MCBS circuit breaker, an interlock switch, and a filter CMI line filter, and battery UPS, and cables and connectors and fuses. Okay. See, these all things, why I'm going to show you, these are the common regular space and wherever we are getting problems. So these are so limited. So that time those spare parts, common regular space, we have to replace because of continuous using. Sometimes electrical fluctuation that get damaging, that is not repairable. We have to replace. Okay. Now electricals here, electronics here, electronic safety precautions. I'm going to tell you. These are the very important. See here, electrical safety precautions. I'm going to show you. First of all, see here. Ensure power earthing grounding. Okay. Biomedical engineers, these are the very important high risk equipment, and try to keep get it my points what I'm saying here. Okay. Is it clear my voice what I'm saying here? Yes, come on. And whoever new person, subscribe now and like my sessions and give me comments in a positive way. And electrical safety precautions here, ensure power earthing, grounding, and use correct voltage and frequencies, and do not operate with wet hands or wet floor, and check power cables for damage, use MCB or ALCB for protection, and do not bypass safety interlocks, and ensure proper installation by qualified staff, and switch off main power before servicing, and use power gauge cables and fuses, and keep away from water, fire and moisture, and do not overload power sockets, and verify voltage before connections, use UPS to avoid sudden power loss, and power lockout and tag out procedures. Okay, so these are the things you have to follow. At the same time, you have to give the instructions to the hospital mammography technician. Okay, so weekly basis, you have to give the user training, you have to maintain the document. Because of these are the things, at any situations, any problem will come. That is not with our hands. But whenever come problem, then we have to repair. That is within our hands. Okay, right. So safety precautions. So it is going to help you. It is going to protect the equipment, and it is going to save the budget. Right? Yes. Come on. And now see here, electronic safety precautions. I want to say, see here, electrical is different and electronic is different. Okay, so electrical is which is based on power supply, and electronics is which is based on components. Those components only limited specifications, that all component activate purpose electrical supply is very important. So that is the reason SMPS is going to convert AC to DC. That's why all components are DC converter, DC so DC components. That is the reason we have to follow the instructions as a engineering principle. Okay. Now come on. Now I want to give the preventive maintenance precautions is better than cure. That is like that. Before face the problem, you have to know these all things. That's why I'm giving here. Right. I hope you are catching my points right now. What I'm saying here, my dear engineers. Is it clear, my right now? Is it clear? Now come to the point right now. Maximum topic I have completed. Now maximum topics I have completed. Now we will go to finish right now and watch it right now. And see electronic safety precautions of the mammography. Use ESD protection, wish to strap mat, and do not touch PCB with bare hands. Okay, empty hands, and discharge yourself before handling boards, and avoid static electricity on components, and use insulated tools, and do not short circuit any connections, and handle connections and ribbon cables carefully, and do not apply with high voltage to boards, and store PCB in anti-static bags, and keep work area clean and dry, and power off before connecting and disconnecting, and check polarity before replacing components, and use only original spare parts, and follow proper troubleshooting steps. Okay, so these all things we have to know. You have to follow the instructions as a biomedical engineering. That is the medical equipment mammography. Okay, so these are the things whenever you do the PMS, preventive maintenance and calibrations and service time, once check across all things before hand over the equipment in working condition to the user people. Okay, so that is very important. And before hand overing the equipment, you have to give the instructions. This is the power, this is the these things, and you have to give the instructions. This should be aware. Okay, because of we are the human being, we have to help from one to one. Right, come on. So I hope you got it very clear right now. See here. So valid information, so I'm going to share here. Now come here. Why skilled engineer is important? See here. See, unique way I'm going to give the information, so which is important to know the biomedical services. See here. See now today live session only going what? about the radiology department equipment, that is mammography. Okay, gynecology diagnosis related. Now come here. Why skilled engineer is important? Very, very important. See here. Proper diagnosis of complex faults and safe handling of high voltage circuits and prevents equipment and patient risk and ensure accuracy calibrates and QC and extends the lifespan of equipment and reduces downtime and repair cost and ensures radiation safety compliance and maintains image quality and reliability and follows manufacturer guidelines, provides better patient safety. Okay, these are the important things. Okay, why skilled engineer? So these all things hospital management know very well. That's why they are recommended for skilled engineer. They are giving the interviews. Whoever capable, they are taking, right? So that is the reason. That's the reason everyone should be a skilled engineer, and everyone should be appointed. Everyone should get a good job in this biomedical engineering services, right? Now come here. So if not working, see here, high radiation exposure risk and poor image quality or no image and equipment breakdown and electrical shock risk and short circuit or fire hazard and data loss or system crash and wrong diagnosis and delay in treatment and high repair cost and patients and safety less. Okay. So these are the things. See, these are the points you have to keep in your mind. That's why today these points I'm going to say first. Okay. Okay. And it is visible also. And now see here, if not working, what to check it? See here, check main power supply and check MCB breakers. Okay. First of all, don't get panic and don't get worry. Okay. Whenever get a complaint, don't escape also and don't say the wrong statement to the hospital. You are not using properly. You don't know how to use. Don't give the comments like this to the hospital management. Okay, because of they are not blaming you. Sometimes what happened, sometimes suddenly happened, then you have to observe very clearly. If needed any instructions, any guidance, then after finish the work, after result the work, whenever you are going to hand over the equipment, then you have to give the instruction, don't like this, don't do like this, these are the problems will come. Okay, please be careful, like you have to give the instructions very politely, right? Everything dignity and professionally. And check emergency stop switch. Okay, this stop switch also available and red color. Next, okay, check interlock switches and check cables and connectors and check SMPS output voltages and check HV generator status. Okay, whenever you get a complaint, these are the problems maybe happen. And check HV generator status and check error codes on display and check fuses and relay and check detector connection and check cooling fans and check system for alarms and check system, see here software status and perform status restart. And if problem, see here all services service engineer. Okay, if still not problem, then you have to depend on service engineer, whoever available for original equipment manufacturers. So these all things, see, if you know these all things, what happen? Ultimately, maximum based on my informations, 90% you can resolve the issues while you are doing your duty. Yes. So I hope valid informations I have said here, and definitely it is going to help in your life, right? So exposure purpose I have given already, right? And next category of equipment I have given, right? Maximum topics I have covered here. Next here, and cassette type I have given, technical specification I have given, next equipment manufacturers I have given, and regular damages I have given, next so advantages and disadvantages. See, these all topics successfully I have trained here, right? So these are the slide presentation. What? Internal electrical electronic parts, that is internal view of the mammography. Okay, for your awareness purpose today I'm giving here, and catch my points and try to be perfect all things. Be a knowledgeable person as a biomedical engineer. Okay, right, come on. Next enter in topic, next slide presentation. I'm going to give the presentations here. Now here, see, now mammography system. See here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. See, mammography accessories and films, contrast and purpose, hospital billing process, everything I'm going to show you, see here very clearly. Because of here my intention is what? Every point I try to give the informations in this live session. Okay, that is why I'm saying what? Complete master class. Okay, complete master class we, because of 100 out of 100% multiple situations, multiple informations about the mammography I'm giving here, right? Yes, I hope you are catching my points right now. Yes, come on. See, that's why slide presentation wise, without confuse, I'm going to give the clarifications about the mammography purpose, and I hope you got it. Now here, see here, my target here, see, mammography systems here, accessories, film, contrast, purpose, hospital billings, everything I want to show you. Okay, these all things as a biomedical engineer you should be practice, you should be learn, and you should be proactive, right? Yes, come on. And see, today why Ganesh are reaching top level state project manager means why that much capability means this is the behind of my okay success, mystery of success, these are the things. Okay, right, come to the point right now. Let me show you right now. See here, what are the accessories? Count spare parts and consumable spare parts. See here, I want to show you. Is it clear right now? First of all, see this picture, whatever I'm showing here. Accessories and common spare parts and consumables of the mammography. So this is see here, first point is a compression paddle. I will show you zoom right now and then you can see it very clear right now. Yes. Common spare parts see here. Right, come on. Now I'm going to zoom this right now. Then it is visible. So compressor paddles here. It is the breast. So breast part here compatible that is here. Is it visible right now, my dear engineers? Yes, come on. Keep watch it right now. And applies uniform compression to reduce dose and improve image quality. Okay. Here breast will be placed on this area. See. I hope you got it. Next, breast support platform. See here. How look like? Support the breast and contains the detector. See, why I am showing these all parts? Because of when you are present in front of the equipment, when you see the part, yes, Ganesh sir explained that live session, definitely you will get it back my channel. Okay, right. Now come here. X-ray tube, third point, see here. How look like? Generate X-ray for imaging. Okay. Next, filter MO, RH here, filter, how look like? So these are the things maximum it is available in work area. Okay, whenever you are going to the mammography department, then these are the spare parts available. So that's why try to communicate with technician and try to get it all things and everybody support you as a professional way. And see, collimator see here how look like saves the X-ray and beam reduces and radiation exposures. And see, different companies have a different model, make model. So that's why we cannot compare and try to get it my points what I'm saying here. Okay. Now flat panel detectors here, see here, FPD captures X-ray images in digital format. So here I am showing here what? Accessories and parts. And AIC sensor, automatic exposure controller, see here. Automatic selects correct exposure. Okay. And try to capture my points and whoever new person subscribe now, my dear engineers. Now biomedical engineering live sessions going in my YouTube channel. And grids here anti-scatter. Reduces scatter radiation and improves contrast. And now come here, see food switch. I'm showing the picture and what is the importance of the what is the purpose of this spare part. I'm going to say listen to carefully right now. Okay. And food switch here used to release exposure hands free for positioning. Okay, very important because by using operator means it's very important. We can do the multiple task in this while doing the services. Okay, about the mammography. That is the see by using the food switch we can operate remaining works also. That is the reason. Okay. Now 10th here compression motors here. So compression motor what? That is breast is going to compress by this motor only, but not directly. There one component is there that is already shown you. That is see here. That is the which part compression paddle. Okay, that is compression is paddle is going to compress with the support of the compress motor. Okay, moves compression paddle up and down and smoothly. Right. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, come on. Next, see here high voltage generator. See here generates high voltages for X-ray tube. See, these are the things how look like for example purpose, sample purpose. I'm going to show you. And whenever you touch the equipment, whenever you open the equipment, those spare part may be a little bit vary. Okay, because of dependent companies, make model, it is going to changes. Now 12 points here, power supply SMPS and provides stable DC voltages for system circuits. And now 13 points here, control the PCB mainboard and control system operations and communications. And see here, display monitor medical grade and display high resolution images for diagnosis. Okay. See, that is equipment is there and workstation also will be there. So if you enter into the mammography department, then everything is completely available. Okay. And I will show you what is the practical way, how look like a mammography room and how connect the patient and how diagnose the patient and how compress the breast and everything I'm going to show you in this presentation and try to keep watch my session. Right. And now come here, whoever new person subscribe now. And now come here, UPS battery backups here. How look like UPS provides backup during power failure. Okay, UPS is very important. You should recommend. As a biomedical engineer, you are going to attend the call. Then if you're not found the UPS, then you have to give the instructions. Definitely you should use the UPS. Okay, right, come on. So these are the what accessories and the parts. I hope you got it very clear right now, my dear engineers. So pin to pin point, I am going to show you and I am going to give the clarifications about the medical equipment, that is mammography. Okay, I hope you catch my points right now. Like my sessions, and see a regular cleaning, impact and replacement of these parts, and ensure safe, accurate and reliable mammography. Okay, these are the things. Completely proper explanation is important, and proper preventive maintenance is important. And if you do the services excellent, then equipment lifespan is going to increase, and we can give the best performance, and we can collect the more patients. Because of, if you give the proper accurate value, definitely everybody want to join your hospital. Yes, that is the highly equipment technology. I hope you got it. So these are the space what I have given here. Next, come to the point right now. Films and cassettes, what are the things are there and how look like? For your example knowledge purpose, I'm going to show you. Because of before entering into the hospital, sometimes if you enter into the hospital as a biomedical engineer, there you were not allowed there. Because of there, everybody radiologist, they are only expected only experienced engineers. Understand? But here I'm giving live sessions for everyone. Okay, so today my live sessions, I'm going to give the information. It is going to support you all kinds of engineers. You are a junior, okay, you can watch it. You are a senior, you can watch it. You are a experienced person, you can watch it. If you may not have idea, definitely you can watch it my live sessions. Okay, so for your all purpose, today I'm providing the information which is going to support your life, right? Yes, come on, come to the point right now. Let me finish. And now see here, films and cassettes types here how look like in your hospital area, in any hospital area. Okay, here company make model it will be there, but these are the very very important. It is the part of the biomedical engineering services. That's why today I'm going to show you all things. Okay, yes, come on. See film type, screen film. See here, regular film, standard contrast, and how look like. See here, high contrast film for a dense breast, and high latitude film, wide exposure range, and digital mammography here, direct capture, no film. And see here capture, see cassette types, 18 into 24 cm standard, and 24 into 30 large, and automatic cassette with the AEC chamber, and manual cassette. Okay, these are the example purpose you want to get it. Okay, right? So I hope you, so when you see the picture, then you come to know and understand and how look like real practical informations. Okay, right? Come on, and contrast image. See here how look like. I'm going to show you very clear information here. Contrast image quality how look like. See here. Everything what I'm going to show you, you should think as a professional way, right? Because of we are the educated, we are working in as a technical biomechanic. That is the great responsibility in society. So that's why everything you have to take it positive and you have to get the professional things. Okay, professional things only I'm giving here. So see here, contrast and image quality of the mammography. See here. So see this picture, what I'm showing here. Contrast example for your understanding purpose. Low contrast details poor here. Poor quality and good quality I'm showing, going to show you. See here. Of course, you may not get clarity here, but whenever you practically way, then you can capture all things and you will get the films. Okay. And for your sample understanding purpose, I'm giving here. I hope you are understanding my points. And contrast and image quality. See here, proper contrast helps in differentiation of dense tissue, micro collaculation masses, and achieved by a correct KVP and MAS and filter compression and AEC settings. And MO target filter combination gives highest contrast for screening, and good contrast is early detection of breast cancer. Okay, so breast cancer purpose, it is the excellent equipment, that is mammography. Understand? We are the human being, so we should take care about all peoples. We should protect the human life by using the technical knowledge. Okay, that is the great responsibility. See, as a biomedical engineer, we are provide the services. At the same time, we are provide the social services, and we are doing our duty also. So both responsibility we have in our duty, right? Yes, come to the point right now. So these are the things everyone should be awareness. That is the reason I'm giving here, right? Now come here, come to the main point right now. See here, purpose of mammography. See here, very clearly information I'm going to show you right now. See here. These are the very very important, because of in the society everyone have a family. So for that purpose, family purpose also we should know, and job purpose also we know, and we can protect it right now. Yes, everybody can engage my live sessions. And the purpose of mammography, see here, I'm going to zoom right now. And see here, first of all, I'm going to zoom right now, then it is visible to you. Purpose of mammography is here: breast cancer screening, early detection, and detection of lumps and microcalcification and architectural distortion, and diagnosis of breast pain, nipple discharge, and monitoring of beginning breast diseases, and follow-up after treatment for surgery, and guiding biopsy and localization of lesions, and reduce breast cancer mortality through early detection. Because of, see, this is the very very important topic. This is the breast is very very important. It is our life birthing, okay? Because of in the earth, life saving is life birth is mother life is very very important, so we have to give the respect to everyone, okay? Especially ladies. So for everyone, mother is the very very important, you have to keep in your mind, okay? Right, try to take it positive, and who we are educated person, we have to give the support technical way. At the same time, we have to give the instructions to all public, right? Right, come on. So purpose of mammography, these are the things I'm giving here. I hope you got it. Now see here. So breast cancer, so how appearing? You can watch it and you can get it here. How images are there. So these all things you may not understand because of these are the doctor terminology. So doctor terminology is different and biomedical engineer terminology is different. Okay. So that is why, see here. Here I'm going to show you, see here, every breast how look like and what are the images. See here, normal fibroglandular and tissue appearance, see here how look like, and well defined around or oval mass, and round well circumscribed mass common in younger women, and see here small calcium deposits may be beginning for malignant, and see here irregular mass with see here speculated margins needs biopsy, and see here distortion of tissue structure without a distinct mass, and post operative changes or implant assessment, okay? These are the things real images after do the scan by using the medical equipment, that is mammography. Understand? I hope you got it. So mammography only for gynecology, female related. So those are the things. Whatever they have organs in body. So those things we have to take care, and every minute problems also. Everyone have a problem. So that's why we have to treat as a technical way. So I hope you got it. Whatever I'm showing here in the presentations, in this, see here what I'm showing here. These are the pictures, these conditions. That is the importance of the equipment. You have to provide that services as your biomedical engineers. Because of these are the parts, it is going to diagnose the patients. It is going to delay if not properly well. Then what happen? Wrong diagnosis and wrong problem, wrong treatment will go to the patient. That patient will get effects. Understand? So that is the reason you have to take care all things, and whatever I'm saying here, and try to focus all things. So maximum technical things and equipment things I have given explanation completely. Now come to the point right now, hospital billing process, how look like, and what are the things they are following in hospital protocols. Let me say, see here, hospital billing process of mammography, patient registration and means collect patient details and ID proof and referral, okay, and UHID and these all things they will cut from the patient, okay. Next, doctor consultation, evaluation patient, and see here mammography request. So doctor also should be there. Doctor, yes, you should do the mammography. Whenever they give the prescription, based on that only, that is applicable. Otherwise, not applicable. They are not do the any mammography, because of everything is very very important. Everything is expensive. Now come here. Test order entry. See here, order enter into the like software in the procedures and critical details, and test order entry. See here, these are the things, and schedule and appointment and examination. See here. So prepare performed and radiology report and bill generation and payment receipt finally, right? So these are the things, complete process. These are the not related to the biomedical engineering, but as a biomedical engineer, you should be awareness all things. So if you know these all things, what happen whenever you have a problem, medical equipment, then these are the okay. If equipment not working, these are this much problems will come. Complete hospital revenue stop in this way. Understand? So that is the reason today I'm giving all information and complete information I try to give you in your practical area, right? I hope you got it. Complete what is the process admission, hospital billing process of the mammography, right? Come on. Next, exposure settings typically, see here. These are the typical settings I have given, and exposure purpose also I have given. I have explained also. Now here, see here, billing items common. See here, billing items common mammography. Okay, bilateral and mammography unilater, and additional views, see spot see here, and CAD and detector see here, and reopen printing. These are things purpose billing common. Okay, and see here, and payment modes here, cash, card, and UPA, and anything is there that is dependent on hospital management that is going to apply. So key points I want to give you. See, this much information I have shared with you all. Now I want to give the key points here. Ensure correct patient details and clinical history, and use appropriate package and avoid repeat exposure, and maintain digital backup in packs, and follow radiation safety and quality protocols. So these all things complete information. So whatever important, and see radiation safety reminder. I want to give the reminder before touch the equipment. See, yeah, these radiations informations you should know. At the same time, you have to give the instructions for every area, because of this is a radiation exposure. So radiation effect means what will happen. Definitely many people should know very well, and just go to the YouTube, Google, and check it, what is the exposure, what will happen, then you will get it all things. Okay, right, come on. Now I want to give this here radiation safety reminders here. Use lead apron and thyroid shield, and stay behind protective barrier, and use minimum required exposure, and follow QC and calibration required. So for this purpose, it is a restricted area, not allowed everyone. Only one biomedical engineer specialist will be available, and technician will be available, and doctor will be available. At the same time, patient is available who is going to diagnosis. Yes. So that is the, it is very privacy area, not allowed also. That's why this area you have to be take care, and when you are provide the services, you should be careful. Right? I hope you got it very clear right now. See, maximum valid points only I am giving here. So importance here, this all information already I have shared here. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes. Now ultimately before any these topics here, so in this slide presentation successfully I have completed right now. Yes. So now come to the real time. See here how practically looks. See here. Of course, see now 4 to 5 slide presentations I have given here. See mammography purpose in hospital, how look like, and how key positions, and patient checking, diagnosis, and real time situations, how look like. See everything take it professional way, because of we are the biomedical engineer technical services in the society. So we have to take care responsibility way. For your awareness purpose, how look like and what are the functions are there, and every biomedical engineering equipments, how important and how working in front of the patient, those things I'm going to show you, and try to keep watch my sessions, and try to get it and take it positive, right? And I hope is it visible right now, my dear engineers? See here, mammography practical in hospitals, how look like. See, like point wise I'm going to show you, these are all the points I'm going to show you. See here, after diagnosis, after these things, what are the things important, I'm going to give the explanations. I hope you got it. Is it clear my voice? Okay, these are informations I'm going to show you, because of this is the final point of this live session, and very important information is what I'm going to show you right now. Yes, yes, come on. Now first point wise we will go, and now we will come to the point. See here, is it clear right now? Whoever newcomers, please subscribe now, my dear engineers. Technical points I'm going to show you right now, and which is the important point, and which everyone engineer has the practical information you should practice. And listen to carefully. Patient checking and preparation time. See here, what are the things important here? Patient is there, and doctor is the technician, he will be there. And verify patient details and name is ID, and explain the procedure to the patient, and take informed consent, and check for previous mammograms. Okay. Next, ask about symptoms, pregnancy, implants, and medications. And next, see here, remove jewelry and metal objects, and provide grow and gown, and ensure comfort. Okay, these are things going to take by the technicians. So their female technicians will be there, nothing to worry. Okay, and these are the confidential things, and we have to those are the things we should be confidential, right? For your awareness purpose, as a biomedical engineer, you should know these things. That's why today I'm giving this presentation. So first picture, you got it right now? Yes, come on. Next, see here, is it clear right now? See here, in this second images I'm going to show you. See here, patient positioning. Okay, see it clear right now? Very clear right now? See here, patient positioning, how keep. See here, CC view, craniocaudal. See here, so their breast is there, and where is, see here how they are keeping, and they are keeping the breast, and how to diagnose the issues, then you can find out. See, okay. Next, see here, MLO view, mediolateral obliqual. See, So because they are going to diagnose the issues, because of they want to diagnose the issues whatever they have in the breast. Okay, right, come on. Now see here, lateral view how look like they are keeping, and see here, these are the view, see here, additional. So look like, so I hope you got it in third page. See here, so patient positioning. So whoever newcomers, please subscribe now, my dear engineers, and come to the point right now and try to understand what I'm saying here and try to take it positive. And image acquisition, third point, see here, I hope is it visible right now, my dear engineers? See it clear? Right, come on. Everything be professional. And see, select correct exposure factors, KVP, MS, and adjust compression for optimal image. See here, in this mammography room is there, and here this is console room, okay, which is operating by the technician because of it is a radiation area. That's why we should protect, and we should wear here. See here this glass also radiation controlling glass. Okay, right, come on. Now see, take image in the both views and check image quality immediately and repeat if needed. Avoid repeat and exposure, and store images in the pack system. Okay, packs way it is going to store. Okay, I hope you got it. Image acquisition purpose, very pin to pin point information I'm going to give you. That is the reason. Okay, I brought it very clearly. See here. So after keeping these all positions, then after diagnosis, common clinical situations, how look like, I'm going to share here. See here. Is it clear right now, visible? So these are the images, see here. So important this equipment, how visible, clarity. These are the things important, so we can diagnose the issues. So whatever having issues in the breast, okay? Right, come on. So for diagnosis, common clinical situations, see here. Normal breast, see here, how look like, and no abnormal mass or classifications, only normal fibroglandular and tissue sane. Okay, so whenever normal, then breast is look like. See here, see, as a biomedical engineer, these are the things you have to know whenever you want to survey long time. So deep information is very important to survey, right? If you know these all things, then you can contact with doctors also, technical way. Definitely they will give the respect and they will give the recognition, right? And see here, begin cyst, see here, well defined rounder oval mass with clear borders usually beginning. See, based on this image, the doctor can give the advices, okay, because of they have studied about this doctor time. These are the things very important, that is human anatomy, okay. And see here, fibroid adenoma, see here, and round well circumstance, and see mass common in younger women and usual benign. See, this is the breast sizes and these are the things whatever appear in this here. Okay, I hope you got it. Now see here, classifications here, small calcium see deposits and maybe benign or malignant, further and evaluation needed. See, normal person, if you see this, you may not understand. Okay, these are the reports. These are the reports purpose. To make a report purpose, as a biomedical engineer, you are the provide the services. You have to make it working condition. That is equipment. But equipment, how performance means, when you see this picture, if your equipment is working, then every pin to pin information it is going to diagnose the issues of the patient. I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here. Right, come now, come to the point right now. Let me finish right now. So you listen to carefully. And suspected malignancy here, irregular mass with speculated margins and requires biopsy for confirmations. And estimatary see here, unusual area for density is seen in one view but not clarity in the other. Okay, so these are the things. See, whenever see the film, image of the film, that whatever cassette, then whenever after done the scan, then they just check the doctor. Yes, this is the problem. So that much capability, engineer, that much capability doctor should have, right? Definitely they will have, because of they have studied and they are qualified and they are practice and they get selected also, right? Like that, engineers also like engineers, doctors are both are maximum some not high end up, because of without equipment doctor can do not anything. Okay, without patient equipment also not going to use. That is the reason sequential operations. Okay. Now see here, this is the picture, see here, asymmetry and see architectural distortion and post-surgery and implant. So at these situations, very clearly informations, whatever I'm going to show you, and I hope you got it very clearly, and definitely you will get the informations. Understand? So these all informations are successfully I have given here, and see here. Now common diagnosis follow-up, see here. This information, sir, till now I didn't share here. That's why today I'm going to share it here. Common diagnosis follows here. Birads 0 need additional imaging, and birads 1 negative normal, and birads see here benign finding, and birads 3 probably benign follow-up, and see Byrad's 4 suspicious biopsy, and Byrad's 5 high suggestive of malignancy, and Byrad's 6 non-biopsy proven cancer. Okay, these are the things. See, breast cancer is very important. It is dangerous to survive the life for the woman. Okay, so that is the reason. These are the things very important when you are going to diagnosis. That is the importance of the medical equipment, that is mammography. So we are the luckiest persons. Now we are living in the competitive society and updated technology. So whatever we have organs in our body, so every organ purpose we have a specific unique technical power. So that was powerful job we are leading means really hats off. And today what I'm doing, I'm very proud of myself as a citizen of global in the competitive society, right? I'm not talking about any country, any wall, because of this subject is completely globally related. That's why always I'm saying, as a citizen of global in the competitive society, I'm giving the instructions to give the awareness about the biomedical services in different concepts, daily life sessions. Okay, I hope you got it very clear right now, my engineers. So in these all topics, see full topics, 100 masterclass I have given here. I hope you got it. And whoever interested, please keep watch my sessions. And these all information, sir. See, I have given here. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes. Is it clear my voice right now? Yes. And now see here. So this picture, first of all, see this and try to understand. And now come to the point right now. See. So today what? Successfully, I have completed the topic, that is mammography equipment related. Okay, pin to pin informations completely. Thank you so much and for your support. I need your support and engagement sessions, and try to share with your friends and many very valuable informations, whatever your requirements, and try to share with me. Okay, and keep right now. See here what the images are there, and here before see anyone have doubts, and just give me comments. For seat right now, whatever I'm showing in this presentation, so these are the very important. So mammography purpose, what are the things are there? Yes. See it clear and give the comments, and whatever if you have doubt anything. Okay, my dear engineers, and try to take it positive and listen to carefully. And now see, till now what I'm giving here, how much I'm giving consistency and how much I'm giving preference. See, to give the presentation purpose, lot of things are very important. Not easy to get it all things, not easy to provide all things, not easy to give the live sessions. Okay, these are the very complicated, very challengeable task what I'm going to share here. So that much capability points I'm going to share, miss. It's a very important. Okay, Ganesh sir, why reaching? Ganesh sir, why reaching top level categories? Ganesh sir, why reaching state level regional manager? If you have any doubts about the Ganesh sir, so that much levels crossed and everything, that struggle faced and everything, try to get it all things and try to keep ambitions and everything. Every ambitions, always try to keep ambitions, and I try to achieve my things, and whatever achieve things, those things I'm going to share in my live sessions. Okay, social awareness is because the professional is very important. What I'm saying here. Yes, engineers, and whoever engineers, please focus my channel and subscribe now and share with your friends, and definitely. Okay, now I'm going to stop this presentation because of now successfully completed. So ultimately you can find out in my live sessions how much, okay, how I am giving presentation, what I am giving presentations, okay, how much I'm dedication. Because of our biomedical engineer purpose, you should be a perfect documentary, you should be perfect technically, you should perfect management, and you should perfect, okay, troubleshootings and complete informations, and multiple way you have to be perfect. Then only you can survive, then only you can lead the top level categories as a state regional manager like me. Okay, so whenever needed, then your responsibility, you have to give the instructions and you have to give the solutions. Ultimately you have to provide the best services with the help of your experience. So in this way, live sessions, definitely hundreds of people, lakhs of people, it is going to reach the public and positive way, and try to engage, and definitely you will get information and you have to change your life. Yes, and ultimately every engineer, okay, every engineer should have these skills, and every engineer should get good experience, and every engineer should get a good position, and every engineer should get a promotions in your life. Okay, so for that purpose, if you have a skills, definitely you will get a great opportunity in your life, right? So you can take inspire me. Okay, you can take me as inspire. So then you will get a great information. Understand? So in your life you will become a master. For that purpose, every topic I'm going to share with you all, and definitely today Ganesh sir is there. Tomorrow you will be there. Okay. So we are there. We are available in the society. So for society purpose, and we as a biomedical engineer, we have to provide the services to the competitive society, to the healthcare technology, right? Right, thank you so much. And today successfully I completed live sessions. Tomorrow live sessions I will come back, and tomorrow new topic. Okay, multiple topic. I'm not going to repeat anything. Okay, whatever required topics I'm going to give the presentations, that those informations available in my YouTube channel. Right. Be a professional and focus on your wife. Okay, focus on your life. That is very important, because this is the mammography equipment, and focus on your family and focus on yourself, and wherever you find the issues, and then you have to give the instructions to the public. Understand? Right, come on, be proud of yourself and be happy, and tomorrow engage live session, next topic, right? Jai Hind.